this year ba what to say amema akwa aba emra Adom TV dwumadie we eye nkurahye dwumadie na me a me di dwumadie won chi me de wo sompa ebre wo no idi am yeso Apostle Dr. Nita Kotegu what to say awadiem usika semu wapomodini mu ene wabrabo mu ekoyie de me mi wa no nkase enkoyie ka che say achia na enso ebeyi onyame nhira o. As long as you are alive, as long as you are living, you breathe in and out. Kusimra woji ahome eko mu koba wote ase ye. It doesn't matter where you are coming from. It doesn't matter where you stay. Fa ho bebia ofiri ba, se ofie kura bi ase. Fa ho se wote nima, choko ana islegon. Bebia wote no emfa wabrabo ho. You can always improve your life and see changes when you focus on the things you want to become. Baby, I would tibia and found baby, I will juma. Say, we are more Jubilee House, and now we are juma or as Sempa and Adom, and now they will treat Rocco, and now you got them and found another day. Who you are today should not define who you can become tomorrow. There are stories about people who started life with nothing from zero, but they are heroes. So tell yourself, say, and found baby, I'm a general assembly, and found near me family. You can always become better. So, maybe more. First and foremost, define what you want to become. And manage your inner voice. Because you are doing negative self-talk. You free and practice self-respect. Now, what I need you respect your own self, value yourself, and manage anxiety. And tete. Enwinwi na mom ka kire ho se ade bi a ekoso metimu a enye madwene na me di oyawdie no me jamu ema me ho na pe enkrofo betime na abubra na ayeye. You can enhance the quality of life. You see, life is not measured by the number of days you lived. Life is measured by the number of people you impacted their lives. Life abrabo enye mfiedu a wudi ye enye ka dodo a wotoye enye adan hohoro a wofaye enye se be mane mema dodo one ona ada ena enye ma dodo a wawo ena enye se Ghana na ewo na America wa brabo nyina so eni ne awaya aka obi abrabo akoyedie mu. You see, when you learn to boost your mood, se o ma watenka enya gina so papa o ma watenka enya energy wo de ne ahosepa wa brabo ehase egina papa abrabo ayebe ya brabo enyina so ene empo ya atenka potoka sabi efa ni emotion ade Kenya wo emotion. So what emotion say? What moves you? And therefore, if you have emotions that are negative, you are moved towards negative ends. If at all, boost positive moods. Me sasem eto mind ana asem to me a obi ka se ya mesinya ya we ya consider ketua bi a metuma nya no aduro me nto de ato me no se ya edion o watwa no me buafu da bi me yisa oyawudie na bufuo no efiri mabrabom se ba me Kenya energy na menya nyina so pa. As I speak, I can hear somebody telling me share woni made esi me kwan me di prayer nso me nya adwuma hwe maware enye hwe me sika sem nye. Yes, I agree enye. But does it mean you also have to focus on the engine? Does it mean you have to replay what is negative? No. And yet, so the problem is your belief about what you are going through. And you know, what catch on say it is possible to feel better. It is possible to change the course of your life. It is possible for you to become better. What catch on? So they are me famu na nye. They are me common na nye me pay nsome. Na so kwembo wa metimi ade bibia kama brabo na me pay asome. Adwuma me ye mani nye ho kwan bi wa metimi ayo na mani age adwuma no ho ode am wo mu yi enkoyie aso kwan bi wa metimi afa so na mari akoyie asese metia fa ko etwe aso. You see, all of us need mind overhauls. Now no obi de car ko fitani bi ho na car na achi wusie papa asenkra ha hye ena fitani ne ka che say rings ahye enti say overhauling. I'm saying overhauling car. And Timmy Di Emma Quani Trianica, and no ye engine is your and no overhauling. We are in the car to an awusi and a free actually. Yen bebre ya dream and a wusi free moon. Ya dream a woo. Ya dream and ya dream papa. And yen Kenya atinkapa na yanya babopa. So ye here overhauling. The say what the wagini at two and some. Now some will be sound say anapa. A via, then you may. A dear nameta adjuno. Where do I focus my attention? Are they meaningful thoughts? Are they productive thoughts? Are they thoughts that are rewarding? Are they thoughts that are worthy? Are they thoughts that are pure and lovely? Are they thoughts that can motivate me to move ahead? That's what they want you to do. Some they be sound say, "Adwina me adwino, adwina shemi nkran ebo mabaso, na adwina ema me hu abomfia. Adwina me adwina me de sobo obo wiase nyina, na adwina me akasa ma father the responsibility of my life into my hands." It is possible to learn how to change your life and live your dreams. It might feel difficult in the beginning, but a bit me abase wa braba wo bon day. Wo de fan say baby I want pebium. You can move out of where you are and achieve what you want to achieve because of share ni wonim nya woka no. Eno hwambo. Adwina wo dwen ye kire what the hwambo as I was starting here. You see, if you believe it, you can achieve it. ABC seeing is believing. Me dem say believing is receiving. So wo gidia on sabeka. Me ntwen hu se Thomas asamagiadi. So say me gidi say be ye na be ye. Ewiase won ya aye companies akese, won ya watch e bomi, won ya pamatare amepami. They believe they can do it. And what pa can de e kan wadwene pro ho. Wo ko sua ade and what time machine kra ushtantoma and what pama ade no. It takes the first step towards your goal to hit your target. Do not entertain fear. Fear not. Fear not. For everything is possible as long as you believe and take the first step. So what share baby I will tell you baby I free bar. There are people who have grew in the same place have become better than you are. A crab baby I free no. No be free what are you mama wajidi. Kro we are umu a kasa no. Minim krofa wa timu a wanso agidi. Abrabo ensi sakwa. You can always change the life results you are getting if you change your perspectives. Empaba. It is time we change our perspectives and do not allow our circumstances to dictate who we want to become. Let's change how our circumstances have become. Unyo nyamintra. Minikan enda dache hinase on the police program we. Na me na Thomas na pamfo ase camera. Na me na Frank any sound of nyina. Na me na lighting floor manager na MC afo nyina ase. Wo china so Nyankopon ya adomo e be sa hia. Wa wo hwe me so. Unyo nyame entina.
So, need kote go nshranka senenso wama yenkranhyensa mati seye. De edu so no Adom TV Badwam kase. Ne etodwa wo kase mu ya wo beti ni MPP ye hwe ni mu. Memenda nyame de cheye ya Super Delegate Congress bekoso. Na Ghana fo bi ni titi wo asante mantem ache wadwen. Ye de honsam no ebeba. Senate East District Assembly no ehwe ama nwumasua koso wa checherefo ene asuafo ntamunti wo de quiz ahodo ne debate ahyehye so a wo mo hwe animu se beboa ma nwumasua ma ne mu so eno ne nsem bi ena no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase se Go TV na wa channel no ye 119 ena DSTV channel no so a 280 wo YouTube ye Adom TV 2 wo benya kase ene programs no nyina bi nso ewo ho bidi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ne de mutie se de nsem no nkyeremu ete ankasa adihye bi ya wo mo kumase a kire won adwen fa Franka Tuni dibre ya MPP mpanifo epre enipa du ene wani da kwan so obepre ne santi on the Super Delegate Congress hyeso memenda Ghana fo a kire won adwen e wo sa abato na ebekoso no ho
ko ye kakra land ye oye because we gentleman pa na kakufo do de ne one seat we de be say alan djuma nti alande ye ye fancy ni party en ka ala ne no mo akani wo mo Badwam ya de yini free line ah wo ni Akufo Addo obu maya wo dwumi emu maya wo se wo pe president edi hwa na emeto ma o pe ba bi ntira akora na obi akwa hu nya mehin sa akoto oseye o sa akoto ho ahwan de fe say agric minister no wa wo say ya ho kire ye wo so le wo so ba wo pe president ye ntoma alanche matin sanse one MPP agorache oh ba omi ade on dey say to be honest with you only experience no for mo panyin
ba omi ade ehun ni nsam keka owi asige ma obi ati bi ni de wa be to madam ba omi ade wa ofiso Ghana sa ko na chia na nyina ekukum ye hore tom consider ka na Japan o tie ni message na wo ka no a adwe wo
mu nyina papa bi enu ense de hu pa oba kro be bo Ghana the same thing
Emaburu Krobia from grassroots movement at their two edwase. Omo de Canada Japan and mo epiano.
Enyuma wa bie ama emabunu anya bi ye. Etimi de ka mesra wa omo se omo ntoma ken mame emabunu nti.
Obi aba o promise obe fight corruption. Unfortunately corruption won't be to fight. Kennedy a breath of fresh air. He is so different from all the other candidates. We share enema wa ye e won constituency. Schools are wasi e won no ani bottom. Enyuma wa bie a ono ade ne sika bie o say nya oman no afoto ene oman no akitaye ede sa ho a enyuma obetumi
Wasini East Mensino emu wobuno East mantom ne mu assembly ehwese nwumasua ebema ne musu ye pa wa chechirefo ne fam ene asuafo no won mo fam enu ntime kasa Mensino mu krache pani Kofi Jima wode eye reading quiz any debate competition ahyaso wo suku bia mu say ye primary say ye junior say ye senior wo nyina wo mo ye se be ye behye won mo enkran ama wo bo homoden wo nwumasua mu yamane boni Christian Oforikuma etwaso
ya efi my background enye enti sanya education ankane menye the chief executive enti ma hunu say makwala bia equal opportunity say the president of the republic na dwene ye no say say magana ni ba bia no opportunity no to me ko school no enti menso so odi masina na yemu no ne metimi aye no say say me district no metimi makwala bia opportunity na wa express no ho na sakwala ntimi express no ho a ebeboa makwala no asua ade ebesa timi aboa ma teacher fo no so akira ade
ba hema wo inkomi traditional area editu just say sa kansi ya mensni krachi ayeso wo ba be hihya mane mafo no na ne age ho pa na wo bo mensni krachi no abaso se wo de sa adwumadie papa sa aba wo num krum ho no mo
Mese nkola ise de omo ayi omo nkoso a na aban no so omo nhwe we so na omo mebo esebe nkola yi se de omo sibo omo ho mmodin se akola ne tumi kan na otumi twere na onya ba bi pa obetena asua de a eno so de ha be de ebe bantimesra aban so omo ayen
adesuafo bi ene amane boni twetwe nkomo
Primary Savage JHS me anya hwia mama school by me ba SS no e motivate me say start debate way I have to participate so that my school can get first.
The mission is enka omumba no ho ban na dia ende ye omuso ombetumi na afedo me show bian kran say kajeji senior high kajas eye school a te say ye ni muhwe ye ni made papa into wofo biana mfo so ode ne ba
Volta Regional Environmental Health Director Stella Kumazro na wodi ato environmental health certificate holders ene gat womantam ni nyina nim se kenei adwumakuo tete asuafo e wa pomudin mu no wonhwe papa no wonhwe so wode won ho bo ahyemu na wo akọ anim e wa adesua no wonim de e environmental health ni mu Adom TV kase etwaso.
This one goes categorically to our president in the support to help ENs in career progression quest. We are championing and appealing to government to increase the study leave slots for our members, for they need more, they deserve more to be able to upgrade themselves and come and offer better quality healthcare for all in the country.
Penny Quanchefo a share apomuden ho nsam so e wo bunu mantam mu ene ko gina Dr. Patrick Umabuaje anemu ewonhyiemu yase na wode to wonu mu animu se asoye hwa apomuden ho nsam so ayenhyehye a anese for pese wo to wonu madesua so no ebetumi akɔtoa so ɛwɔ Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology science say wɔne wɔnom ɛdi nsawosoɔ awie.
Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology has agreed that those who are doing diploma, top diploma, to become diplomates in nursing, they have agreed that they take on another 1 or 2 years to get them straight.
PRO Emma Ekuyi ene amani boni twetwe nkomo a wono so ede nsem sei eto aso.
We are talking about the Ministry of Health took
enti we no bono mantam no modie enye from mantam mo director na wo hwe environmental health so no mo fa nche ma yanto aso na yan konsan foforo emu chirechireni ewo Department of Newton Binka School of Public Health University of Health and Allied Sciences. Dr. Mary Ekwia Ampoma de to Ghana for nyina nim se wo obi na wo sickle cell patient a enche se bia nipa no be ye bia na bibia te sa ne mum emoja mu ensesaye bi na akobasa enokora na ye wokwan ahodo a ye faso ekora wo mo hwe wo mo ye mu nyini edu won kwan na ho nti ehunu nipa bia te sa na nyimo ne doso yenyai Adom TV etwaso
in bebre man kofo ye aware reduce stigma around the condition because ebi mu bebre fi say o sickle cell and actually say boni biti wo mu ana say adebonia o papa na o nananom eye ntia but sickle cell ye moja mu yare
Adisuafo bi a wode wonom efa screening yi mu bie no ene amani boni twetwe nkoma wonom de tu dwa se wani age pa se watimi ahwehwe won mogya mu amu ehunu wonom gina bre se wo sickle cell ana se woni bie.
They should go through the procedures so that they will know their status.
Now I know my status to take good decision in future.
Enche en Adom kasia di amane bremo efa ekwan a enye eye krabonso insurance enyinem kwan no na enye kra ye bomu a ne adehye sori ya na yese wo mra hye bedwani ahye se obi mesiesie kwan na se wani se okachra adehye nani age bo aba Adom TV abaso ewo ne ya beye amenne wo mo hawo kese ba kompanifo hwe etu ho na mo Adom TV etwaso
3 days ago na Adom for better ya kwan e de ko kire nyame tuminti omo ye ho adwuma de de siso a ye ho adwuma e be ye dia seda na be ma Adom TV na ya san dia de seda ma ye wura DC ani ye papa honorable MP say watie sufre adwuma ya machine asi apaneso a o ye ho adwuma e ma ye
enwachi omanfo ene akwantifo bi Badwam kase abaso se amane aye boye no edin sunsanso pa abre wo mo a won how to be chakra
TV boy bo baspa moya de mire miltia bi na kwa we na haya papa ba mire ya mo ba ya na mudi ko ye no ma bayini daruma we de moya de ba ma bayini twaso no fa bo buso ye e mai ye bo na baspa wa ya de bi
ye damase pa moi mobile mo be hu kwan a ye fa so ye damase Adom TV fo na mi sira mo e bi anka nyamu nti anka kwan we kura nka omo nya maye ba yire pa na aduane a ye fa kwan yi so to still adwumaifo anesfo be du nsuo we ya na omo kofi teacherfo be duru a na omo kofi so mo da worma
enra posifo eje kasoa odupon of akọ Chief Palace no boso ni nyina gina ehensam mentebe ho ase ma ne muso pa sanye wo mo ene kọ ho no mo de anhwe a na nka de besie no nye Adom kase etwaso
nkrofo bia amatutu dan mu nyina awowo no mo gufi ho no mo atutu dan no mu nyina mo asan kofa langazfo abegufi ho mo ambo bia kotu wo mo so mo gufi ho ndi ma amansan nyina ati se ne yekoso wo fie ho no se anhwe ne ya ntokwa abesi wo efie ho di yesre odupon fa ko nkrofo nyina ye kama oman nyina ti se ye kwaso ofie ho no se ya nhwe ne ya ntokwa besi ofie ho nti ye kwaso odu fa ko no palace ho no ye kwaso ho no se ya nhwe a emoja begu ofie ho ti ye ma amansan nyina aso ati se ya wada na mo ye ma principal nyina aso ati se IGP ni mpenifo aso ati se omo mbo modern se omo bebo ye hu ban ma bibia ansi na no na me de kan no ye ntokwa na ye de ko ye ko hia se afi no aso de be ya e betumi ade afi no na ye nyina ya hu eno na omo mpese omo man kwan wo fi o.
University of Ghana level 200 student and Idinde Nafisa to Mohammed and a court abono kwadu se Ghana ni dishia na wo Canada obo memu Frank Kofio say ya July bosome no mu de to so duonu no mu free mu e wa shalebotwe no asa baba wano enim ni wo no hu bi Adom TV kase etwaso
Tinti embassy ade mla be shey nse de be dan court na court so e di achila enne yadi sabina court nyina abono na wo hwe no ma police fo susu se eno no didi me wo fa no Frank wo se na wu na in fact when you be there dance say wo court wo ni nyina me ne nyu aba na ebusuafo a wo ba yes na ya se also share second a we here come and change and then no more some trouble for mudin when you na ye me yan say no fa o sha o fa ye mu pa ye pa ansana what one na mo some but ye be kan nyina ne say nja bibia menyam
enkrai mantami emu eye Unimark anase kane GIJ campus mpotamu ho ubehunu obatan bi a ne finhia ba aduana mu ene wowoi wone ne ba ne nam kwan ho sresre sikanom tese ohwe maame na abobre na ahwe nkora no bebi odo mo nam no ntwaye kura dom kase pini no ne di nkomo sei ene ode tudwa twaso eno ye de bebra mo bresim fachaye na Ministry of Education so achirem di entia Ghana Tertiary Education Commission for wontumi ntua won bosome August de no eka na ni nyina so omote atua won anya adwuma sa bosome no ntia ne akatua be na mogie Public Relations Officer wo Ministry of Education kwasi kwaten eno de sansemi etudwa
ewu fi January nyina ye twani nyina ye de amamo nti emfoso bia ni hu na tese August ne ye de nyina aka ho onum so monya adwuma na said the wa usinim no mo ye so monya adwuma aban ho komodie ni ade de National Labor Commission was a no said there be in Chimuna for no nyina de aba employer and employees in the also mo kwadwuma mso mo from on so many occasions in the be on 3 occasions but him say mo ntima ama na o man kwadwuma nti yeso ya sema ye kan nyina na say aba adwuma na wo ye say bi obi ya adwuma no ane de twa neka wa anya adwuma ye kofasi ka wo hene de abetwa aka na aban say there be any Minister for Education kwa aban no as a whole the government including employment and labor relations in me nyina na aka bom say no wanya djuma enya sika bia entwa oka nti na amakoba say wonu mu outstanding arrears e wo ho nyina na sika wo ho bia yetwa na mum sa August month na onu man kwadjuma ne de wanya djuma be den se benya sika twa oka wo so employer anye ade ma wo ne na aka ho asem wa ya ma wo so tama wo si entwa no. So it's just an issue of when to pay, not say I don't know family. Tama was in China buy intimate just because I no process it about me for and no more can. At the end of the day, let the right thing to be done. May assure us also boom raso and Minister for Education, also boom raso. Also boom raso be an China, Minister of Education, also boom raso.
Ghana yamam penny nana dodan kwa kufuado de ato European countries ni nyina nim se enei won fo nkoto dwangu fom fa chawpe mu odin mra bibrimai e won kwasoma wo mo ede ye efefe mu ede sade yakayaka de ne niema wo mu kangu yen so Adom kase etwaso
fully the initiative for the return and reparation of African cultural properties to the continent, as it will help Africans, and in particular, the descendants of the communities, groups, and individuals who created and produced these cultural properties, to reconnect to their history, to their pioneers, to their knowledge, and their skills. This reconnection of the past and the present will also help to build new relations with the international community, especially that of Europe, which was principally responsible for the original thefts of the cultural properties. Most of these cultural properties, when returned, will also offer Africans an opportunity to develop local knowledge of the technological, cultural, social, and aesthetic value of the objects.
African Union Abogana dini say wonom ena global conference a wobeye no obedi ho chiame na ne botae nyina ene se bibima nyina ebeka won ho abomu.
My nyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no anope ya ha na brema kwan na mediasi aseda no ya odi amre ne adaje a woje ye e de hweye se wo kode awrade mfa nkomra de aka no do so pa ye kwa kwaje nkrato se meya ba na ye ba agudie mu nsam de obonkrata no e wo ho na afi online stories aba na ye wie no agudie mu nsam aba ama health tips nso ato so ama hosepe enso awo ho ne dwumadie no se de edidi so nti adaruma me anye sankrato yi ye basisia yada se ye mo akwa babiem Adom TV Badwam na o hwe ne de edu so no de obonkrata na ye krado wa ha o hwe ye chi so a online stories no so egum aye de bremo nti ono abo akwasintia ejina ne na so e wa ha ma me mo akwa aba
mejo so incoming MP na de asoso na appointment adaje ni wokra afia ene brain wokra brain ya fa back se kra eti asante mampomfo nhwemanim se no na apeso aka soso nya me admo a enche me ba begina premra hye bedwa akonya no asante mampom na ya boa me yekuro na fa ntuma pa e de efra mampon kan ko mampon puntuo ena ehia yen me da se pa se fia bra ne bra no oje so ba so enu aso Dr. Osofri Akoto ese oda wase se won so o tai na me
pa obi a chichire
kana na nyai
na me adoma me menda de behu bebi ejina nti o se me menda o ka first five
nipa num no ho wo se o me ye balloting for nipa du no da number 5
oh okay nti esi no so pepe
ani won ka se esi was nipa 5 ne de eye dania Dr. Osofri Akoto ejina mu
what tie boss pop na efri Kumase bae
eni Kumase fo bi na e ka so monye delegate kra
so
be kom no monye delegate
so ndo enye de obi kan wo ti
so omo kasa na nye delegate
eye we are said
here kwa akoto nipa 960 something na se won ka ho a
okay
no betimi aka ne opa bia wa chire
atwetwe ne doso
amanfo ne betimi atwetwe no beso mo twetwe but Dr. Osofri Akoto tops all and betimi an AK atopa Akoto tops all AK
atopa no say
se ene Akoto tops all so what you say eti
nyame adoma me menda de
ono so mo vote de ama
emma no okay ejidi anamo no
o se di ko se nipa du na e pre contest onu nko na kuta dwoma ama secret bia obetimi win o se o break sa secret na 2016 de encresa o le sa secret ni tuma
o hwi anasifo
aish dwoma ama off afi wan bia
ni delegate mo asuma yo ti edu ho an ye behu
yes
okay nti adomonline.com so any our staff not directly involved in bribe taking lands commission papa na emu na kasa o dey say yo what wo nhunu wachi nti e dey but brofo nti ubie kwatira na obehunu dey papa kire na dey okasa ye no okwa kire she Ghana de bibia yeska bibia peso wo ye bia di so otua enti papa jai jai to de nya botere du ho a wo hu se de ayi enti we adomonline.com on some no we ya de bram wo kase no mu no work no pay education ministry justifies directive to SITAC wachire mu anya adwuma August enti sika be na wo hia ba musika bia areas bia wo bia no so mbetua na sa August de na mo anya adwuma no de and they watch them say untua ntia ho asam de adomonline.com de aba
asem yo yenhwe ne enka ne ye achechirefo no raise consensus enye ne ena de bia ma meka say it looks as if say mem no aban fom timamuni a eye okay But memuni from a buy pay. There's an issue. Teacher for raise condition of service. And yes, somewhere last year. To the extent cross said National Labour Commission directed Abai say to one among deal with it. Abai and Kahunshio. Abai di no boost na wanya mono e Canada abra chechire for no emfa obia ho. A chechire for no ko affected Abai de. Abai would to me to say my Joe salary free. Ene ya ne ma no eyeya. Because Abai bu ni de so na na kwa pam kire say na ewu yent no me the ABCD be count. Eduro na so went me so wo do ba be kire. Na me so me kire me de mo me kire mu de ye nyinto. You see? Ene ya na ma temamufo ebu efu no. Because enye yes man samanfo ka ye ni si ye be bu abade si ye si ye nka ni wachi a wo si agro na de. Teacher nye so sorry ya na so won ko adwuma wo. Wo so afre bibi na setene mu nye ni ma nko ye. Abenya hye ne wo gina bo hye so de akwa akopani ma bi bo na setene. Baba bo hye ne ma aban de oba ba kire me se me ho kire me. Wa abenya ntwe afemu nyina abenya ntwe o. Na no no sorry tie atwa bo so ba akwa abase maje wa ka twa fru nsem. It's not fair. It's not fair. You can't cry for children. It's not fair.
Wa ba kire mu.
The way abai treat timamufo no enye. One day one should be the my teacher for. Ni abai tumo asana obe for Felisa a boshen. One be punish abai. Obi eniwo. Tiko ya ka to say oni abai nya asma dey abedifo. Entine dey etimu sa.
Enti want some from my entertainment and so also popular TV presenter opens up on abusive marriage, life as a widow. We can be nanya better sir. Go for problem pa ba bonti ano osere no ye. E bronko na yedi kun. Na Resoma Jobs Bank of Ghana governor. I don't so read the question election month some say election 2024. Lewin Eyes Efija Kwabre South seat. Yeah actor. Ko don cansan Lewin. So yes na need akwan Efija Kwabre South hono. De bi obepre 2024 nya de bi ampo. Enti so ogina say independent so ogina wo party bi di mo no ba adomonline.com na fe wajebre na working kind. Is it parliament na dey? Obia. Oh yeah. It's possible.
No say so far in our governance then they have been the weakest of it all. Yes. And they be the weakest of it all because ejuma qualification ni ho dey. If you be above them be. Minkasa le win sem fata.
Debi.
But
the
parliament be na ye nim. And the kind of argument we are na cost that time na Akufo-Addo Hackman also ajima mo
abanban na yesika.
You see yes.
They say that time was sika nko de obetimi akọ.
So almost sorry no mo e kasa. You feel it. But in the parliament no. Anyway, sanity.
Sika wo sika nko de.
Ko.
Then you mo some person mo kwa mo nyire mo ho.
Me tua sika na abetimi akọ.
Oh, sika tua mpo. But like aside say wo tua sika me de wakọ no. I think so wo botaye binti a person ukọ ho no. Nti ya yes o do sa botaye no ho. Me ntua ema adehye no enya omugidie bebre. Wo ye niema so wo bekọ ho no no. Be wie na niema asesa. Obi abetimi aye, obi ya de a eye kasa ene wo vision a wo de ma abato mpesua no. It is all to me yama womu a wobetimi edi so a bi matna parliament for how many years ni eye gidie a wo munya wo mu omo ye adwuma na ma wo enti me de obi a betumi aye se wo adwem panko a na bibi papa na sibo ni na mom enye se wo ko pressure pade bi ama honko ade a bibi e possible obi a betumi aye enti no wa wo pese wo ye bia mesika nko na ada tua because they say Ghana wan tua wunya enti ande tua fa mo wo na konso a fulfill wo promises na wo promise yenti enya emugidie ede ma wo no because what otua kra wi a ho na okwa sika no de ahyem no so aboka but eno na e haye no na e haye
ye de sika na ye pe no ton ye development
what you say
esem no obeji sika o menchen Ghana the last time I say CDD for year or more survey be you need not less than about $1 million or $2 million. Wow. That's not what we need election and this is near Udi a free say between MPP and NDC and could depend constituency. Constituency, for example, voter and Ashanti. Omuchia pa.
Okay.
Because and I like say who we need primaries ni we are.
And yeah, what from
it's true. It's the primaries na dear no if ya. She a betwe ho no.
Easy. Very expensive.
To be copy best $1 million. Ebe bu election mu a. Obeteneka.
No problem.
Obeteneka.
No problem.
Ti ye ton ye vote, si ye nimu a. Ye vote na ye ton. The new crusading guide. NPP super delegates election. Nana Nkansa Boadu must not vote. Otumfo NPP petitioned. Dr. Osu Efriye Akotomfoni Ewaha. I will make NPP financially independent. Eno kuma ne twetwe ye motie ewo emo. Se obebie enwuma ama NPP. Companies ye be ye adwuma de ama NPP na omodi sika ko support amayoko no. Mincom demands claims of signing lithium deal. Western North region, small-scale miners angry over frequent police harassment. The new crusading guide. Daily graphic. Tamale International Airport opens. Republic Bank Africa set up hub in Accra. Ghana saves $1.5 billion from GNPC sensor deal. Parliamentary Select Committee. Digital audio transmission here. Technology trial takes off. Daily graphic. Daily guide. Cecilia Dapa stolen cash case. Third suspect granted bail. We saved economy from collapse. Bank of Ghana. Baumia opens $70 million Tamale Airport Phase 2. Compensate Africa. Nana tells West. 2.4 billion Ghana is released to settle domestic debt exchange program first coupon. Daily guide. The Finder. Government settles 2.4 billion Ghana cedis coupons on new bonds. No licenses granted to mine lithium. Minerals Commission. Research to find one traditional dish as Ghana's national food underway. Hey, the research you call one traditional dish. Yeah, be your national food. Okay. A brilliant answer was aside for phone. $70 million Phase 2 of Tamale Airport Commission to increase economic activities in northern Ghana. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia and Ekani said the Finder and so now anyway a buy. ABC News. 3 things I've learned from Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia comes to the picture of Honorable Kojo Oponkruma MP for Ofwansi IRB and Minister for Information. Then Vice President Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia was in Niema Miensa and was near Eddie Free Mampany Abedechre Eho. Unya ABC News King Kanya, Sani Mamiensano, a woman. Baumia commissions Tamale International Airport. Editorial NPP Special Delegates Conference. The party will speak Saturday. ABC News. And anyway, a buy. The Ghanaian publisher Ajaku on why he's running to be president. I will make NPP financially independent. Dr. Osu Efriye Akoto. Eweya Lithium Project. No contract awarded yet. Minerals Commission. Bank of Ghana debt were accumulated. Losses since 1992. Hey. On my way. Chief of Staff eligible to vote. NPP. And I can say why ECOWAS must support Niger Janta. Nana a champion, right? The Ghanaian publisher. And if you.
Fancy her. Fancy. And here, Professor Ike Wallace. And the agreement some over. Wiki mo. Share hypertension in pregnancy. The health tips and so ever walk after sports. And my boatman so the Paris music and the more special comobia. I was all TBA. Semi de ka ho birthday celebrant yenye mu so yare mu bedi nkomo pa ne nkomo ahodo bi na fe pese mu atoso koso amu afidie no na ayi na eba ho.
Dr. Gideon Boako, spokesperson and economic advisor to the vice president.
To oba as spokesperson.
Oba as nyina because oba for Baumia dia untimi nyi vice in Sinchen and untimi so enyi mampani a open so Sinchen. Etene eye full compact.
Okay.
And come on.
Okay, di mo afidie na ayekwa ba prof etwaso.
amo akwaba kesi bi nsam famra Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwonju media so dia wo kensi won sempa esa kena no pensu jam dinde Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekwan kwantin coding small do esa kena no pensu bi e Ghana agudie ejao shano so mam senwuma konye mienu omna bom skadwete mena no peden komo ne etia breo omoden ada so so no issue dey no na onya odi right ya Richoku no ye wo keto ho e wadantem na afie obode no ho no ma papa ne maame mo setimi kebia nkwala ne betia san bobi ansa no matia kuskubo mode ada so on sabetia ka Richoku o ye shopping so amsrew e na wato Richoku dia fra ne mesanse ofia eboa ema ne ma etia tutu ye de ma Richoku no obetimi din so hia no obetimi din so nyu so etia san no ne kwa de abode 3-1 makum asichirum na afen so kwa milu papa enso ewum mode ada on setimi ka Richoku betia san bo go ahead enjoy Richoku na face start today right the Ghanaian way and also power na mesan dia dance dia ma say Game Park Limited phone paying for the chacha sonko kwa na tia san ba ni odi hu jima betia san bo ma sika dwete ho asem so watimi asesa no amanfo dia edi no Game Park Limited bo modern da so odi betia san chem o dial star 946 hash odi on setimi e kan 4 numbers pe na o sa betimi hia na afi so kra from 0 to 9 na afi odi ho tia san chem www.gamepark.com.gh na afi no mpemfo tia san twen komo o ko www.gameparkgames.com na afi oni mpemfo tia twen komo every time you are draw it tia san ba so thrice a day internet edi ewo Adom TV so no anopa no nkron be ba so na afi 12 pm asaba so 6 pm so ebesan abaso ntia na do ho tia san jimbi dwada enkopem kweseda ana Game Park Games the san shares no kwetu saba me pa cho Game Park Games no more more power. Game Park Games are regulated by the National Lottery Authority. One more attached. Uni move film or tram sell. Found you miss and tacha. Ediwa when you bet your punso. I will bet you as a show. Utribet you and Sabum Tiana. Oh, Tonswa. Now they are joining Kakra Etian Santo Wemo. And sponsors ni emu tuturu tuni shuturu twa na no penso wo mo touch abua media wo kensi on sempa ensa kan etmejaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step yes here MFMF Ghana Football Association ana afen so kwa the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana maintain camp there vice president of the Ghana Football Association Rani Dine Makado or the nkomo kakra bija na sente mo hwe Black Stars performance na ekonanim na abanachi o hwe sena nema esie kwa na enye anika na ni na se ogidi pass coach no adwumadi a wodi na nya de a ekoyi kra na mom omo ehwenim se Ghana ye next qualifiers e between asabo na dia prepare dia kwa African Cup of Nations e danim no Ghana ye ne Central African Republic for the debate in terms so sa case no omo hwenim se Chris Utin obebo no modern
you timpa a je say oya young ne makaka kra de betutu so ye betimi amati na kwanim but Chris Ubaye no I'm about 3 matches. Or when you back and what drew me, yeah. On one Becatro say, on one in performance, you know, when you say bit me higher. So what is it? Only the Casa is your Becatro. So he knows, say, I say, more. We need to go see a queen. Into Nebibia, or no, that being Hopa and that being Cassia Pan. Yes, soon as you don't say that being Cassia Pan, Chris, I did say, and as you share one growl, you see a share bed train, you use a gun and your bono. And you know, I say, it shows up a monsieur, now you're quitting. And you know, they can't make September 7th. Even she has Central African Republic, Kumasi, into where a month for Munina, they say they are make special at you. So how many times I have cancer? Then conform Ram supported them, but supported in Nigeria because a crucial game power. You hear a win and I said draw. But draw the I mean we are say a show power baby need to be qualifying stand team because Ivory Coast they say a feature here. Move crown out track to toss 6 hours we drew a bit na okay baby. When the more Diana promote to game no na a month from round 7th of September no.
Football Association Trinity Friends GFA and on the Como Asia Factory Sutin no bibia betwema 7th September and Akins case in the Betia Basu Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium and paying for about the venue for the attraction now huma at 4 p.m. and Ghana in the Central African Republic for this Akins case in the Betia 10 times we African Cup of Nations the Betia Basu la Cote d'Ivoire no the last game at 8 Sambo na fi siki qualification at the Aqua Akins case nim yemre mu so on crowdfuma or house of full phones and futum no ukomu dia nese to be after the 14th na sentem papa yi etia ne nachi kakra wasaba na ne nkomode aba ne se partnership a omne TSG Ofiam ana afin so Cincinnati FC amo ewo United States of America for etimi assign ene Common Value Alliance ACVE a no so ebeboa amaniama etia ko in terms of infrastructure na fi player transfer no ogide pass san hyehyɛ no omo amiemu pampia afidie ombetian hyehyɛ betian sanboa na infrastructure development na fin so player transfer na fin so knowledge ombetian san hia na boa na boost to omudwumadi a omudi no omo ene omo ebetian de ho sa so yi
kumasi mpatempa emantem.
Now, we also recognize that apart from all of these things, we need strong alliances with other clubs. And we cannot think of a much better alliance to be part of than the CVCA, the Common Value Club Alliance of Hearts, Hoffenheim, and Cincinnati. Common value because we are pursuing common objectives under 4 models: knowledge sharing, talent development, impact, that's call it corporate social responsibility, and then finally joint business ventures. That's a Common Value Club Alliance. Okay, talent development, knowledge sharing, impact, and joint business ventures. And the first very obvious outcome is Salim Adams' departure to Cincinnati. Okay, where I'm happy he's playing regularly with the MLS next, pro team. We cannot talk much about the alliance here. To let you understand fully what the alliance represents, we need hours to explain each of the 4 things that I talked about.
Togbe after the 14th, the board chairman of Accra so folk Natin and Council and Como 18 Satu and Sampa. One more any Hofiama or more Germany now face so Cincinnati, almost United States of America, qua pumps up minimum, and an Amsoma Salim Adams, 18 Sakupim home GD pass said this is a Branton between Sanchinum, Alco Dente, Eddie Abom and Yama Etianquil, other players and so Ebenya Sa benefit and Rupanwa, a year Yama Hudo Mudisi, a common Betian Samboma, who didn't so try and Sas and Tiachimen or Ganahano, Sa a year partnership in so a bit me Asandiaba. Yako kumase krobia asante kotoko prince meduka tavre pambu bubu kono so akachia otimi sampan ananan echi abosia naso nanwada otutu ne chacha omuko piemo training grounds na afi so kwa hwese ne mesi koso a kobo na nimpempe hwe se na players no ene mpemfo di team na show msa no omugu so edin so na san kuma twitwe mu no ana Dr. Prosper Neteugum or a member of the IMC na for double as the head coach edema kumase asante kotoko o se usuro o FCC se bia na ehye season we ase a the second coming no Koroko supporters na amba in their bulk majority nti osre baby obeku bia no se obi bia entai ekotoko achi na se time so no so musi aka Premier League nim so a omo emeta achiri
kumasi mpatempa mantem bebre ewo ye pese ne se bia every week bia no se adomdom ya betimi akwa bia atomsu na akwa training ba ko ho akwa ntema akwa ba ko ho ebeko baabi sa ni nyina ne se mo atim ne yemo dia na ye pese di tim na ede ebrem na mo hu se dia tim na ede etie na me gidi se ye ne sa na ebe ma tim na ya kono na be ye nika na be ye ni di se wo mse wo data wo phone so abetimi ahwe kotoko match ne na so eno no be hye wo nkran ama waba na eminim se din kotoko no kra no etimi win the match ba se baba yara 45,000 na se kwa ye ma na any team bi bo na ya yi training here na ya boy empire here ni yin se elalimpo betimi agina ya no na wo baba yara nti hye e wo ho no nti e pese moti ase se ye ni so ni amaye no sama ben
nti Dr. Prosper Neteugum na se door to door we hyehyɛ so kokra team sampa you are dance for and you door to door no ha na ballpon bang bacho oho e pese no chenya mi asem sa pepe ana kodoko edi bubuku no eba ba fisa bere kode enchi bia omne kwamanfo pro no se bia amanfo so betia do club no na afi omusi akan o ma beta chiri edi amom yenko Patrick Osajman countryman songo ho na yenhwe Songo stick na no pay nkoma eye Patrick Osageman so e de eba. Hello Songo.
Bibi aboko.
You what ya si bibi aboko na so e.
Bibi aboko ja. It's only the talk kaka. More fire.
And you do
Mati, alabido. But I say I'm pay advocacy as usual. Down there, you know, Belgium. Mondays 6:30, and our face Wednesdays 6:30 a.m. and on Fridays also 6:30 a.m. Send your pro for the amount of it. The umre Songo steak and Songo steak, you know, so no. I mean, very professional. You understand? I'm a paying. You go straight up to a footballer, a co-forming elections, a person. You understand? I don't understand, sir. Elections committee of the GFA, almost decision to hold presidential and ESCO elections before regional and district elections. No, to me, and your papa, you understand? And Tasu, you understand? And I mean, who institution be a to a aba. I see about presidential elections in the bias ESCO members, executives, president Bayajuma, and Sani Aba district and regional elections. No, we start from a year down. District, regional elections now through upper ESCO. Then the last one will be the presidential election. Why decision? Sani Pakona or make is that decision. No problem. No, maybe who is any problem. You understand? I mean, it looks like Nipo making this decision or you're so desperate. So also point be as in the fact continue say and I say a coin be so now meet me a winning a bia abatu. You understand? And I said me a penny and I said me a just a president and I'm a chairman just me we did football and you understand? Because who can't talk president in the year. Now, but two executive school members we are. What do you mean? District and regional elections, what do you mean? Obi Obejina Biano, so Penipa Ujina Assem, so Penasem. I mean, the election they influence. And our force will be to, vote for you. Because you're president, maybe. One Pino, anti as a president, for Mujina. You better two amba more, a very problem. So, Nipanon president no call for Kurana. Yes, you win your even president to say, where they what to abako man. I mean, yeah, and sa and Kamum in the football, any appointment, anyhow. Which I said because I don't work with my enemies. And I said, many time for 4 years, and I said, many and cophobia be. It's see a kind near Juma. And normal be saying about appointment, very free. I mean, penny in one call for about, and I said, penny in what the amount in call for. Not football, now, yes, but it's a trophies, but buy your home in Koi. Because over a footballer, the current footballer situation at a team, any day, present administration, 3 to 4 years now. Omaye footballer. I mean, what do you see? The national teams no see who say Omoje trophies. National team no. And as a national teams the improvement but national teams no ehun to Omo by way of say Omo ko tournament out team say Omo progression no was flow Emma chese wuti say ye trophies. Ye national teams no ni nyina te say enye papa blasters no kra no enye papa. National teams ni nyina Blasters for tournament, AFCON and World Cup. Okori, local Blasters, Dalazina, almost so, Anko tournament. Sasu Ena under 23. Omoko Anko tournament. Starlet and me qualify for African World Cup. I mean, be a failure. You understand? Obama side and Black Queens, AFCON and World Cup, women to me and qualify just. In Spain, Women's World Cup. Countries only representing Africa, Ghana and Congo. You understand? Even our under 17, Grand Maya banned for 2 years for age cheating. You understand? Oh, buy your national teams now. The Piaco from the call. Princess Paul Costa Rica. One winning match back. They say Blasters, I call African Cup, AFCON or Cameroon. ne yɛanhyɛ match baako koraa ne yɛasa de aka ho ne nyinaa na ama football ayɛ basa national team level ɛnkɔ yi yɛn qualifier anaasɛ yɛkɔ a ne yɛakɔre local football so I mean bad coverage bad officiating local football even officiating bad and it's a refuge and this season we need you got it supporters in Park. So we face a situation, a current football situation. Ghanaians are not happy. Ghanaians are not happy. And he said, about 2 time, Baby do, no more yes, she say, no more yes, she say, Mamu yes, she say, Fama, Obia, Ufi say, or no system, no pursue PT. And our system, no can be as no pursue any or fast system, they send it there. It's in next one link of 1 pound, Koshisha, see, you continue to say, no man say, oh, you can't do presidential election. Oh, football. Asani Abaya school. And Sana the crack by regional and district. Wrong. You can't do presidential elections. You could talk football about you can't do presidential elections. Me, if I'm a delegate and I said me Songo state wrong. And you can't see a source. But me only say the public pursue PT system. And say about one I mean if you question Basukulana or say it's system necessary and some matter about I think say what's sana kumwe. I feel say what's sana kumwe. And yes you must solely ya jipini and near to Abama Nako will be in favor. And I say I mean will be system or pursue BT and will be tatis or pursue or the BT system. Meanwhile football and football cost Ghana. We know me and saying Nkoye national teams in Nkoye local football Nkoye football the Nkoye enye ya na wo ye no say bia
okay
you know also you Lawrence no titles no it you there 1 p.m. and then we 5 for 5 metwas okay 1 p.m. maybe you understand South football elections you know you need to talk about it okay. And go for Papa no mutimi handle your football come from Ghana football, I say Ghanaians are not happy. Rather than say a Babylon system about to see 2 presidential elections and sign ya to Ninano. You're wrong.
Okay.
Professor Mofire.
May I say Patrick Osage, my countryman, soon going to Songo stake and also Eddie Eba and Edwada and I think so a Ukwada and if you don't know Pebia or Adom TV so no, the Songo stake and so Ebetwaso Abrel. Senator Mame say Christian Achuka Sam, Ghana this year and another as I say also to me Pimo take here. Okofra asase a actually hunu no na oyenya medie no ne honkomo akran so atia ba ne abepiem sen local manager ne din ene Abdulhayati ono so ewo kaso ahye solom na ona Cheetah Football Club ye ne de na so guso ekeka ne sa asese be obetia sa pem so na omode akensi ba ko atimi asa apem so a ebetimi ahye Christian Atwitwa Sam enunyam
Yamina di man na Yamina eji I think we've gotten over it, we sometimes he appears and then in your minds, your dreams on social media, and then it gets to hit you again. But I think we are getting over it. We lost Achu in February, and then I'm working on things to ensure that every February I will organize another cup that will be called the Achu Cup. Because even Cheetah Cup, you know, a whole lot of teams want to participate. To me accommodate too. So I keep saying there will be another one in February. But I will speak to the family and other people. Then I will come up.
Abdulhayati, a Christian Atwitwa Sam, the local manager, and attending council day in Chesson Quetian Sabas in Yamia Duma, the Achu Cup, a bit me at 10 times, so now Fedia Kai, Christian Atwitwa Sam and Nenkano, we see a kind about the senior national soccer team blasters of Ghana, Oshana on Kantias for a Hubu. And Yamia Duma be the China Ferris and Mabisiako. Game Park Games, and then Chesson Quetian Sabas, Fitz Abre the way, the newest lottery operator, Samabi Pimo Ghana. One more than Shaba Manfudia 18, a patch of OPK 4 games in the Bitian Sabwa, a star 946 hash. Now, face was selected with all networks and 4 numbers from 0 to 9 between SID, Nabwa, Emanyama, Etienne Quidama. Easy to play, and our face to easy to win. A Jordan Copim Air Question Biano at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and after 6 p.m. daily. On the draw 18 certain times. So, Mr. More Mula, now I just said more power. After regulated by the National Lottery Authority from paying for new frame and found J Game Park Limited. Almost shares on Kukra, one more Eddie Abdo Messiah bet you are adwene ebetimi abom timbetimi asan hyehyew intimesew na efa ho nyim nemom wode hu jima na wode adwene kakra aka Rich Oko me pacho start today na Ghanaian way Rich Oko ne beti asan bo Rich Oko ketwa ho na afia dentemo na afia obodan na kasa so an set me bia eno so ebetimi asan bo me pacho we ebetimi ama very nutritious meal anopa bia no obetimi dia kwadwuma so na boma niam etia kwadi ama so go ahead enjoy Rich Oko and start your day right the Ghanaian way we money sponsors attached me den the prof wala sa good day catch back up and I'm ginem of course evidence based presentation yetimi jaw health tips ana nyame adoma yede ebro na afo so etimi hu sene be ya opomodem nsem so betia enko ba bia ka kire busuafo na fofo yere oma wo fasefo na na mu kunu no mpnafo ina se health tips ana yede ebanes within the profi call sabedi the act of being a good guest is to not say goodbye.
Memo kwaba Adom TV Badwam na o hye no health tips afia amankwa tamaklu na wotwi ye share hypertension in pregnancy Dr. Benedict Afari na daroma eno de ye kosantiti ewe mu ya ebo ye mpa we ye first time a wo hye ye ndia hye anopa bia adwoada de kosi fiada ye de apomden komo simanumi de bro ye toaso dog memo akwaba nenso ene ye signs and symptoms hypertension in pregnancy. Pato say e bi bobo ba better na me opim for the mehu.
Enti say people no ba opim for no betimi enya oti betimi apai wo.
Okay.
Weni so betimi ebrew. Bi wa bon say unhu ade papa. The friend blurred vision. Bi wa kwa unhu nyoma tutu double vision. Yeah, I know. And most of the time who say bonsa omona se atata. Nti obeba no
tata yes wo ye wo be ma na say ahehye wo di fine wo kunu show ye
eno enye no kre wo say yi wana say ba tata in pregnant bi wo ho a normal.
Okay.
But yentimi nche say normal na say nyama che say oba hospital me check hwe. But most of the pregnant women say BP start to say ba, especially the different preeclampsia no. Eno no BP kosro na ye hu protein so junsonom. Eno say netimi ma o nice nyina tata something etimi ba o tie area etimi ba o yefun etimi ba o nimu nyina nti obetu share pregnant woman na nimu nyina akese exactly ne yefun so wo hwe ne baby no kra bon say o de sonic head na na say penile stethoscope no eto ha bon say I mark na je say wonya abdominal edema nti sa no man nyina and obi wo kra na unfortunately no BP ni betimi akosoro amanenya convulsion. Yes.
So bekano.
Betimi nya convulsion. The friend of
BP dada na say.
Betimi ayete no BP dada ana afa na aba. But betimi nya convulsion. And your friend eclampsia.
Okay.
Betimi nya fit. And also you one of the because obi o ha na enim say o BP. But one day bi you say bibi esi wo fie. Ontimi nkasa we twa hwe. Obeba no na ne BP very 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 high. Internally one of the symptoms. Be all cry it me ma vomiting. Utimi fit especially sa fit na say pre-eclampsia na me kan ho asem say beba. Some of those things can happen. Be all cry.
So fit that enti bed me different.
Because BP betimi ayesa normal vomitings betimi ayesa. Inte say timi hu ye hwehwe mu, right? And obi all cry ni yem betimi ayane ya. Sa BP we na yeka no e bitimi affect nyoma bebre ti se we liver no ye ebeba so inte affect we liver no bitimi nya pain around the baby liver no wo.
Okay.
Sa preeclampsia we na timi ma apemfo ko mutimi bleed.
Okay.
Because it may affect clotting factors na ewo moja ni mu no into obi wo ha ne BP no timi ma no coagulopathy and as a clotting disorder ebitimi amana bleed from kra ewu. These are some of the signs and symptoms. But most people no omu hu hwe.
Okay.
Most people no omu hu hwe asymptomatic. And they be oba e chiche nsa no.
Asymptomatic le bi apia mu wo ayo hypertension in pregnancy.
Wow. Baby abi wo.
Okay.
Yes, insanity.
Inti se bi ba no so convulsion ene ewo mu pa aside no de he bi no be say esi
say ona uti na be pai wo no
uti pai say ti pai de wo ho
and most of the time no eti pai for this pregnant won say ejina o frontal nti a friend of frontal headaches frontal nti oba na ebisan say uti na piles ehim fan na ye we say enimu no na ye me ya pa
nti mostly enimu no na eye problem no ba say bia
other sides no dey be other things but for BP no pre-eclampsia no and as omo benya sa fit no and eclampsia no omo ba with this frontal headaches na bia ni ohun ade papa ice ni so ye ne tum bi sa
age limit na
any age limit bia once we nya sa BP no akoso no so we adolescent or so we teenager and now we normal what and when you once you are pregnant no kwande you can, even omo ye young no omo tanya papa adolescent no yes
20 down no?
Yes okay. Adolescent no omo special problems wow.
Dr. Benedict Afari na yene ne edi nkomo na wotwe mu nyina yene no na etena se ne nso wakire yen signs and symptoms a ewo mu nti de waboso ehunu bi aso painful Mr. Otumeka ne ko hospital na me yad mo chna yebeto aso na ya hwe complications a ewo mu nti wote wono ani so bru so but painful ana uti dwawo mfante na fie midin de afia amankwa tamakro chna nya me yadoma yebeto aso in pregnancy dear do so no mambo atmani team no make us sesi Paris music na one more ahia ewo jowlu ye cafe Badwam ai eho na wo mo cafe Badwam ene TV soup breakfast papa bi dia ene join wo mo live wo hono sesi a wo jowlu ho wo mo ene omo ben police station nti be so join wo mambo atma sa wote menka woni Perez mo ye krado a mo ye hwe dia ekro ewa ho sepeso
Wana warisha hena na pe nyina no wiasa fende nyina good morning mujise pade wo hu ye nde ahusepe no Cafe Badwam at them last week. Me na had ina ya babetina be one of the hottest places in Accra. Say urbanism and the Sampaza. No, I had no say there's Trentino. In the my son was guest one of the hottest. Again, maybe be a hot wahadi. As I say, one of the hottest in the gospel industry. Or come on, had ya me gonna about church on Komona. Say Cafe Badwam. Na or say there's one your church was a police station when I'm sure from 05016069675 now from when you want to breakfast lunch dinner komobia mpono se pede be sip and paint kra na no bibi kakra na paint brahade na braba ye wahade na quickly no ma move for me guest na me no ntwetwe nkomo Perez music yeah me guest now he has come a long way. He has come a long way. Wezi zunkomo bia and yen shada yen fe yen hwe ho no. But yen zunkomo fa ne career ho abazo no ye biom apart from music. Komo a lot of jest. Into the better betina say na a shares are all abokodo o hade. Perez, good morning.
Good morning.
And pe hu ya.
Yamena do motinene.
Yamena do mu ye. Mo hope den zizi. Okay, because you never have breakfast wadi and
me 2x4 fancy me have into so.
Okay, you're better breakfast. Mahade no way English and American breakfast.
Oh, wow.
Into no mornings and be coffee.
English breakfast.
Okay, okay. Now esa hadia.
My bahade better twice.
Okay, yeah. One service now.
Oh yeah, it's solid, it's smooth. Yeah.
Okay. Now a casa for one lighting so
yeah, I like that. I like the whole what's the word? It's very cozy. Cool.
Ambience.
Yeah, the ambience.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, Makade, you've already had certain conversations about what life before knowing Christ.
Yeah.
Hard guy, some know wake us today.
Hard
guy. Hard guy.
Are you from Tadio, Cape Coast?
Cape Coast.
Oh, okay. So far, so good. Me can say you share baby I say you can do.
Okay.
But baby you want let me speak English.
Portuguese speak English.
No, we are not where we used to be.
Okay.
Maybe I can I want and
or
maybe I say because you
do. Okay.
God has been good.
Okay. Now, your business name.
And also has been very, very from 2021. Basically, like God has been really good. It's like Ejumana over the years, no, Karakrankrofo are beginning to appreciate it, and the effect of the essence of our call. No? We are seeing it in the lives of people. And it comes out of for testimony. Adansidi uncle for they be like Sena Nyumna media a chairman bomb. So yeah.
I like the fact that Ekasafa testimonies because I have personally screenshots testimonies about your song. Yes, Mabaka natural.
Wow.
Maria, how you feel? But yes, can you share one kasa testimony? I'm sure that you have a cabibri. Now, so no way. For one day, I'm a dance. Na is open for what's that one testimony you've never shared?
Hey, I've never shared, and I'll never share for now. It's not something that I would want to talk about. One testimony, no. That's one thing. We'll talk about it later. Not today. Yeah. Okay. I mean, was a BBI one time, and I want to say one time in the year, no one can in the year. It's me hard dream. So yeah, we just take our time at the right time.
Okay. Matter since my young get to know you, our
Davey.
But sister in Christ to be over.
Davey.
Hey. Okay. But oh Lord. But we better be with them. I mean, any man there, be a baby and chow when you do. Yes.
Oh, at the right time, say, worry. And you give be. I want to take my boy.
Okay. Martin, you know, a good girl gone bad and a bad girl gone good.
Hey, our questions. We work on it then. Manya made the mommy be a fan.
Okay.
Because for me, I try not to judge anybody, and I know where I'm coming from.
Sure.
Me share the anyame aye wa my brabo. It's possible. Obetumi I am obi a. Into me main judge obi a so why you that. So no. I mean, let's see what God will do. If onoshe say nipa na obe mama no obe fit you to me journey na me kona. I mean, it will really help.
Okay. Okay. Yanka Sanfa growing up, how was it like with a mother and a father?
No, I grew up mostly my mom bringing me up until JSS. We call JSS now. My name is Papa. My father came into the picture.
No, he knows this well.
Oh, he was around. I mean, on one relationship once into media, no, they say.
Okay, sorry, do you know kakra?
Yeah, but I know they made them family. At the end of the day, they are two adults.
Okay.
They made their decision based on what they. So I know they it's their matter. I don't hold anybody.
Okay.
I'm not bitter at anybody for any reason.
Okay.
I mean,
okay. Now I can focus be there. Benin what it's Benin. I don't know if you've heard that before. It's your father's presence in the early of your life, like hearing the presence when you or how are you in anywhere?
Oh, definitely. I know there. So Ocean Kala, who grew up with the mother and father. Na Nkala mune ebi mama me pa na papa. En fa say oba na bema. Stress it will be causing.
Okay.
Both on the child and maybe even the parent itself. Into the end of the day, definitely. I mean, probably if I had, but who knows? There are children who also money on mama and papa agree about. I'm saying, into baby, are you okay? I mean, we still thank God.
Okay.
Yeah, we still thank God. I mean,
so no, you want relationships to them, both your mother and father?
Oh, unfortunately, my mother passed away last year around 4th August.
Okay.
It's exactly a year and some few weeks, so about a year and 3 weeks. But my father is still alive, strong, healthy man. We are friends. Right now we are more like best friends. We talk, we play, we are good. He's also been very helpful. And also, he tried very hard to make up for the time lost. As a father, and I still appreciate him for who he is, definitely. I know that Mema Obian taking that away from him.
Now your mommy are tight, pa.
Yeah, that means mommy are close. Yeah.
Because I'm mommy's boy.
You know, like even for now, one of the reasons why I miss him is maybe there are issues in my life that I don't talk to anybody about. Before we knew behind can't apart from one. And sometimes I seem be extreme, so I'm like, now we want. I mean, yeah. So, but it's good.
This is very sad, and I'm sure they we very proud of you because when you.
Yeah, one of the things that I'm very happy about, my very first big song, Hiwanelala, she heard it. She heard it before she passed, and just before my concert was on the 28th last year. Or Bompire or Jimmy tickets, no Bompire goose, or other than Satumus, no Shrame. So for me, I'm happy, and at least her pain and everything has been taken away. So I know
wow. Wow, parents, our condolences. Because me a short or one Kobe with the papa.
Definitely, because I am say like why am in Wijma? Like she really worked out. My mom, like literally, like she and your one can be a meduno, come do because me kai say it do maybe obi catch and say me free school bar me share the anything only me free private school on me call public school. And then my catch any pan say and it was my mother's uncle. And then my catch and say me pen neighbor inti say I was already the last show me and fan or the best but or you very sure say or show me baby papa be free mama so wash me son things are getting a little better than you decide to go but I mean
you have been in trouble. I hope my in the pie
funny enough maybe there were some few times but most of the time I protected my mom from all my so there are things that if you tell my mom about me on June
be today.
Oh, when I used to party, when I used to drink, when I used to smoke. When you tell my mom any of these things, on like a bad thing, so bad you because me try say me pesa behano. But me kai say one time, be my frustrated. I can't even be feeling me display like I was mad at her for some things that were happening in my life back then, but we didn't know better. You see, and this was before I even got to know Christ the way. But when I understanding life in the situation, I realized that Charlie, she has really done an amazing work on me. Wow.
You have very beautiful songs. The lyrics of your songs, oh my God. I can't speak to save my life. But your songs, they speak and that's a crowd, but that's when they no, LKBB. How did you get there?
I think it is all the experiences that I've been through, and nothing is lost. So we whatever you are going through, nothing is lost, nothing is wasted. It may look like a situation is hopeful, maybe our baby may be or yes stop or maybe you feel like giving up on him, but maybe to me you see our situation and sa we now feminine. And they are building into a strong man. So okasa and also jina baby na okanya asema na jina baby na oka asem like talking about some issue they on kasa just because of kasa, talking out of experience, talking out of encounters. You know, yeah. So most of my songs are birthed out of encounters. They are birthed out of the experiences that I've been through in life. I make sure that the Mafemi piano is not wasted. So I go to God in prayer, and sometimes in prayer, the Lord will remind you of certain things, and you put it in a song.
New song here.
Walache. I know me church. I'm not mama yare no. I'm not that hospital no. Not cancer, cervical also endometrial cancer. I decided not to even.
Endometriosis,
no, something. So I know the doctors now say,
I see you look something.
Honestly, I was very hurt by it, so I decided not to. And when we looked at it, was at when we found out they do stage 4.
Wow.
Literally, they tried chemo and everything. So do we now? But some person they imagine they girl say, Charlie, also nyame. And you know the funny thing, I couldn't even pray because the doctor had said that it could happen, and I kept on asking myself, say, yo, bro, where's your faith? Like, but I thank God.
You are doing well. It promotes the Ghana language, Papa. That means there will program. You have a show coming up.
27th of August, our Victory Bible Church, Awoshi. It's a free event.
Isn't it?
Glorified.
Glorified.
It's a free event. We have Cindy Thompson, Pastor Joe Beecham will be there, and then CC Beidou, the one, and I'll also be there. And God will show up.
Okay. Nyami be bomozin na kona kuku hunyankopon because we chirema nyami will show up. Oh honor. Now, the people do not know about you. And you're there. A corn nafty.
No.
You see our sound.
Yes, sound. Film sound.
The one you use.
Yes. So one thing I did was, I mean most nafty students, for level 100, level 200, you bet you will be here. It's all you're wild now, you're smarter. Before you finish level 200, you are at least you understand almost everything about production. Okay. And me, when I finished, even though I was majoring in sound, I also did a lot of studies on editing. So for a long time, when industry me school in Puma, sound no be brave. I was more of a video editor than sound. So my age was Farmhouse, my age was GH1, my age was TV3 Media General.
I see. Yeah. As a sound man?
No, as an editor.
Editor, yeah. Okay.
Editor. So I used to edit a lot of things. MTN Heroes of Change.
Oh.
What other things?
Wow.
I'm more of a documentary person. Okay. I like documentaries.
Oh
yes. Most of the videos I'm editing.
You edit your videos? Music videos. So. Wow. Wow. Now. And then
I do the mixing and mastering of my songs
because at least it's steady sound also. So whatever makes it was. This is very interesting. Quickly, you know, maybe say Abbas no what you before. What makes you angry?
I don't like it when you see people are not able to communicate what is in their mind, but they expect you to understand.
Okay.
I don't get it. If you don't tell me that this is what is going on in your mind. I'm not a magician.
Okay.
Even when even as a prophet, even it's not every day that I'll be able to see, but at least, this thing I don't like it, this is the problem. Let's do things like this. Then I know that at least you spoke your mind. But you don't speak your. You too, can't you see? How can I see?
Myself, I'm tired of Masno. Me sure the lady be now. But this is us because to the you better one will figure it out.
There are some guys who also do that. People you work with you also do like that. But maybe them in Bobby so say myself for the
18 parents Obia me sure that Obia will be your driver no what's the
it's God. It's my love for God. And the more I understand him, the more I fall in love with him. And that's what keeps me going. The more I understand him, the more I study about him, the more I do things around the gospel, the more I tend to love God and understand how awesome and grandeur he is.
Okay.
Yes, and how splendid and Charlie magnificent he is.
I see.
Amazing, yeah.
Okay. It's say to America they use would obia boko use or the home obia into say and na say bia in your obioma. What's that one thing you would want people to remind you, like remember you of say bia say your care parents ever existed there for what?
You see, I want to invest myself in people.
Okay. And
my desire is to invest myself in the young people, especially the young boys coming up. It's a concert it's a free concert. Try to say raise partners because what was it about a month ago you call Kanishi Echo Mokola any in my name Kolana boys no more street and say no more could deal. We want to understand their mind because we want to help.
Okay.
We want to find a way to get some people jobs and things. I just like the street life. I mean only be born come on so you person you page more. Whereas on one page more pisca.
Okay.
Now when you do more than you So I want to invest myself in people. I want to help change the mindset because Charlie, right now, the mindset of the youth is very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. And I think we need to pay attention to it because when you're young, 16, 17-year-old, the boy, Kasano Kacha was there on one page, there's a problem.
True.
The last time,
how do you make
money? I said, girl, 23-year-old. You be trying to say what's a problem in life? I say, I know the a say like on ye juma, mama. And I'm like 23 years. You are too young to be thinking like this. That's a fundamental problem.
Sure.
And if we don't take care, in a decade or two to come, it's going to be a big problem. And we need to go on the streets. We need to go to the basics, you know, and find a way to hold the family system. Otherwise, you have a big problem in
trouble. As I'll tell you there, Mammy, your last words. Maybe I'm not be the children or admire so much to know Kabibi trend or young. Maybe on some condition be more, you know, it's not possible. Say something quickly, Mama.
And top pressure, man. Life is easy. It's as easy as you make it, and it's as hard as you want it to be. Be strategic and systematic. Say 5 cities now. Make sure that you use it like that. Say 10 cities now. I'm not be under pressure now. And if you can, I pray that you get to know God early, because the earlier you know God, the better. Because one of my biggest regrets in life is that I didn't start working with God very early in my life. So the earlier you know God, the better. But me, what I'll leave you with, and top pressure now. Top pressure now. At all, iPhone or Google Prime or whatever. Give it 1 year or 2 years, it will pass.
Okay.
And top pressure man.
But that's what Papa Perez said.
I want to breakfast now.
You know, Perez music, and I'm going to share a cafe bar no amateur do Jolu police station where from 1050-160-6975. Now, and you want to check on common. Now, you have a breakfast too.
My comments now so be reading.
Yeah, I still have it. My kind of comments being far more. I'm sure maybe one can say okay, you say I'm from Uganda. Now Holy Spirit gave me the song at late hours of the night. I had to look for it, though I didn't know the meaning. I realized it carried my answer.
Yes.
Me say comments. I say on YouTube. Me when I was touched because it was the same thought. I was looking for an answer. Sometimes you wake up in the morning and the situation around you it's somewhere and you're looking for an answer. And I usually hear my answers through songs. And you know, midway YouTube, I saw the songs. What song is this? And crime. I would even like it. But I touched it and it was speaking to me. Into no me sure if I can so any experience something like this. Etta, how do you feel?
It's proof that say Nyame.
Okay.
And the languages were created by God. So it doesn't matter the language you're singing, because I've had people from different, like a lot of people say Charlie me in too, but I'm able to understand the song. Even though I don't understand the language. Like the song speaks to me before I even go and read the subtitles and I understand. So it encourages me. I've had testimonies of people telling me that they were struggling with childbirth. They were pregnant, but when they went to the labor room to deliver, they were struggling, and they requested that the song be played. We played in the background and was played several times. Because the wife fell. So when they were rushing the wife to the hospital in the ambulance, the wife and she was pregnant, heavily pregnant. And they kept on playing and praying with the song. When they got there and the doctors checked, nothing was wrong with the pregnancy. So I've had a lot of testimonies.
Okay, parents, you enjoy breakfast today. This is so beautiful. Wow.
Oh, hey.
What's it? When you met who you may who? It was banana pan when you Musbana.
This looks good.
Papa, let me.
Producer, I invited. I'm paying. The fork is on the left and then it's like this, right? Me and Crane, I'm from.
Nine in HR.
I'm a
HR. No one some man. Kawanoi, Yanko. I love breakfast. Wahadi. Because apart from the Isabano or colorful, it tastes so good. We'll pay attention to everything.
Oh, this is good.
Oh yeah,
Nice.
I can't wait to taste it too. But I'm promising potatoes warm. Into one of the testimonies, parents. So good, so good. Joulu. Police station in town, one of them, Pocho, Brana Jose, Brana Badmaka, the way I steep and paint, and so I had it. To put my God, friends, birthdays, bridal showers. One brand, one have a fun, no boom point as more packages to suit your packet into no Bomazana Brahade. No testimony, not there now, or go through a surgical procedure. And not to him, no, he felt that I'm sure back. But what's say when it gave him some reassurance. Interestingly, Obama update. I went through the procedure successfully and I'm doing fine now. God's words are sure and they are yay.
Yeah. That's the power of God. And it has nothing to do with me.
Okay.
It absolutely has nothing to do with me. And I just happened to be the vessel at that time that he could use to do his work. But it has nothing to do with me.
This is so good. Parents, how long would you be doing this gospel music for? For life? For life is for life.
I always tell people that I want to do this as long, like forever. It's a long journey for me, like. So I'm not in a hurry.
Okay.
I'm not in competition with anybody. I take my time and build small. I don't want to be the biggest artist overnight. If that's the will of God, I thank God. But if it has to take years for me to build to a certain level and be able to sustain it, I'll rather take my time. And so what we pray for is good health and long life. That's all.
Okay. Now, songwriting also. I think the last year, Best Songwriter Award.
Yes, sir.
It's big for somebody who just made a big entrance like that. There's an Egypt Songwriter of the Year. I'm sure they are very fulfilled.
Yeah, very. I was very grateful. And like I said, Nyame, I don't know why
Okay.
And he's just using me.
Perez, everybody, I'm very baby Jow had a crab, very busy. It's no Maminja now.
And probably need you.
It's bananas.
Speedy and we feel the bar.
No, as a bar again, Beja had days in the Fantidor president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. I was a pay if you cafe bar no police station Honoma Mabonam Besno, Mamusha Mutum Mabon quickly a mobiuma 050-160-6975. Another phone was 020-966-7116 from Wanawaso. Baba have a very good time here in Accra. Hot places one can power. I hustle if you ye papa. But I was a page made no with Bessie had a Yamia Doma Ochina, a Bassani Shia.
Time that's so, Dr. Time that's so, Medima for her bar clinic, and Ura Mark and Yanchi, or they I 16, Ama Warmon, and you're a boss of dog, Memoir Quaba.
Yeah,
now Menase, Nano Bam, Catcher, see the BSO Trianica. Yeah, and your full song, and why,
yeah.
Ain't it what the hospital clinic cannot be beyond or the I am the Amay, so be. If you are ma, they say me na meet and I may enjoy.
Yeah.
It's bosso can near my whole Dr. Time that's so a year.
Yeah. Ma me na when Yankupon was in Shasopa and the Bambo. Na menchia Adom TV. I shall phone you so. What I might say, me dima for her back clinical ha. And you yale who be. Share Sanyum to new way. After me way 2 years money. Nipa domo akɔ ne hɔ sɛ ɔnyɛ nnwuma wɔn no me kura me ka kyerɛ sɛ wɔse no ekosi sɛ onya vision sɛ we yɛ rare man a onyankopɔn de ne nsa ato no so ɛyɛ sɛ woka wudi ne dwumadi a wodie no ho adanse e kire amansan medimafo herbal clinic is a come say awards no me mfamba anano Saturday yakoji bi Ghana Medical Diagnostic Excellence Awards and no a medimafo herbal clinic a best alternative laboratory of the year 2023.
Oh, okay.
Mimpesa mesa because adoso. Mimpesa mesa kwa daide. Abama yaka ho. Asam kura bi. Ningi na nsa me ka asem se be queen. Ne din fatana na bodin fatana. Fatana kono nya akwankwan ni ase. Dwumadi a medimafo herbal clinic die wo Kumase abu akwa agogo no. Esese obi adi na nibra be hwebi. Anano ajemensam maami bedi adanse ne friend Olivia Ahenkan of UK ne baaye na tam kura na wodi adanse wo bedi mafo ane ese ne ho atono no na yese ne ho atono a wodi adanse no na wo hwe maami na omusa no wobubu ogu wo ba na wodi adanse no na wonya CP na oko UK be 5 months na oba na no Monday na ode ne ma be cheyen ne ha se maami no kura wo bedi adanse no ni a wonjin o doctor me ko UK nyina wa duro na me ko na kakakra na me nom me de koya na me nom ye be 3 weeks na san ye me ko ye me nom aduro bia o enso enne me ma me na fu nom nipa o pin o mo do ba yet one na obi frɛ no wɔkyerɛ obi o so last week ma me ba yet one of us ma me ba bi a kyerɛ me de Nyankopɔn hyiram me ba na me kura poma ɛna ma to me poma atwene asi adom formula me twa ɛdan esi ho a poma ani hwi ko agye afa si yɛ kasa yɛ mfa poma ma ho mfa nkofie a ɛnyɛ ya no na yɛ de kan adwuma yɛ no saa na yɛ dɛ ɛkyerɛ yɛn enti he ene anopai enipa mpempem a ede poma ekọ medemafo dodo wona na onfiri hompie ne na poma no enkuta no dodo wona na hwi no mekasa mambi o se ode hwi na ebaaye enti wo mu ye hwe no wie ya okono ena wo mu koduru kwan so mu se se ma hwi no ya mfa nyedai ama yensan ko fana ma me no no ya no ebi Nyankopɔn na say minya hwi ne ho yenko fie ye duru efi o mu si no won ne kwan no mamlan enante kogura mu djuma medimafo herbal clinic di no wo asase we so o my Ghana mu no enye won se ene Cote d'Ivoire fo na do ho agim ye na obeduru medimafo a mandates ya obetima hwedi pa be du atoa so o mu nyina ye Cote d'Ivoire tese ba o mu ba no enya sam ketewa dabi ya meka kyerɛ sɛ obi a ɔhwɛ me a ɔba medimafo pa ne ho atɔ no yesu sɛ kodi adanse wɔ baabi a de otie no di adanse because enkrofo adanse am enkrofo onya de yalesa eduso ho to wa kan kyerɛ wunia sɛ komedimafo ne ho de gisa de wawu ani de yesie no sa no pa mo kyerɛ manfo ntam won koi yemfa won ko shemu meka wan ma bi obedi adanse se ono kro de wo so wote de ni no na oda mo kyerɛ na busuafo na ejina ne ho enti bla ye yi nkrofo papa na busuafo eye be yi no ama ya papa no mu asa ho me kakra ye de ewo no mu no friend doctors no baaye also almost ne ko ya almost ne ko to was it D4 na wada na D4 ho ye san wo ba bi ye se ye fa ne condemn e ho de ye do ko to ho a nipa wu ni obi entimi ye de e be show e bi say ye twen say obe wu ye de ye do akọ o se ye ma ye me he no wada o sa na o twe na busuafo ba enum sa de a obi a wada condemn ye san so bo no ho kasa de ye fa ne kofi na we free mu a ye de na ba anu ni kofi do mo ni ko to fi o mo twen ni wuo no o se ne sofo na ba ya no so no Momfa no nkɔ medimafo na medimafo so gye sɛ deɛ wawuo ne deɛ yɛsie no wo ha na ha papa kyɛ sɛ ne kidney ne liver nyinaa ayɛ dɛ asɛe asɛm me kan enam adansie nti documents yɛ ɛfata wɔ asɛm hu biara na yɛgye to medimafo heba clinic ɔmo rejecte no sɛ ne liver ne kidney nyinaa asɛe time one papa no di adansie no na ɛyɛ 2 weeks pepepepepe ɛna no aba medimafo wɔse first day ɔba hospital wɔ hu bibia ɛfiri sɛ wɔse charge ɛkyɛ sɛ ɛnsɛm nkɔfoɔ de to ne so wafa obi yere yɛabɔ ne dua because of sɛ wahonhona ma n'anim nyinaa yɛ dɛ ahonhona bom so na asɛm yi wɔse ne kuro bi anyɛ dɛ ɛnim nyame n'anim sɛ ɛyare no ɛyɛ dɛ ɛhanom na papa yi ɛbaeɛ a wɔba medimafo so wɔba medimafo hwii na ɛde ne call round wɔn medimafo ne nan baako mpo sɛ anyɛ dɛ anka fm 2 weeks nhyira ne Israel nyankopɔn ɔna di yale nyinaa tumi ahyɛ Dr. Tam da so ensa enti na de mfidie reject no onyankopɔn bi wɔ soro a sɛ mfidie reject wa onyankopɔn reject wo bisa ɛde brei ɛna nka hye obuti ase a enka mfidie ba reject ne sɛ ba bi aduru no enye yi ba sɛ mfidie reject wa yewo onyame bi a ɔyɛ odimafo ɛwɔ soro ɔno deɛ on reject wo papa be dey that na 2 weeks oba ɔse wɔsan kɔ confirmation sɛ no ɔmo se enye wɔn because ɔno deɛ na enye yɛ impossible by possible with God all things are possible na me ka kyerɛ wo sɛ we mu nyina enya ayaresa obese me na ntwe atwamu a me hunu ɛdɛtum sɛ aboa ntatia na ɛkɔi obese yɛ ka sɛ kame fa sika wansidi nto obi ka sɛ me fa nto ne fie ne na japade so sɛ me metumi anante anka me nye ɛna me na me kɔ America yi obi sɛ me sɛ mabusuafo na ekume afa me kokofuo me ye kokofuo wie wɔ sahemfie afi pepepe na yale so me mu ma chinchin nante akɔ bia ni kwa sɛ nka o Kristo ni me nante kɔ me nim sɛ ye kume afa me kokofuo sɛ na enia hini ha ma ɛwɔ medimafo betumi agye me nkwa medimafo heba clinic ɛyɛ onyankopɔn no na ɛsane aba bɛhwɛ ne mba ɛhɔ na beduru wɔ ne obi tiam obeduru doctor anim sima baako pɛ ye ma na duro num ya din wonte bibia biem ɛnyɛ me na me ba me ho abode ma yarefo ɛba hɔ ɛna ama me din Dr. Time da so ne si be piem wɔ Kumase ebu akɔ agogo na doctor wo hye bere to yale so na wo de time to so a oni nkuguo da mesisi me chika se me kotodwe me koda me ntumi na me widie mo hyehye me nase atatai wonya ka akwanhia wo na mu abu wo nsam abu we mu na doctor say entatia case wonya stroke yale me ka kiro say stroke yale na ya wonya no asa wo ho atɔ asa wo ho ntɔ wontimi nkwa adwuma wonso a wotifie wo hu de wo yɛ wo ho wonsano mu edu wontimi mfa nya bibia onano wo kwa obi a wo hwɛ bi papa ya okwe wayale pen sɛ wanya stroke na pesa wo ti apɔ na wotumi kɔ wadwuma ɛkɔba sɛ de obi a kɔba no a me pacho bia ba ko me kanfo amam ɛyɛ medimafo heba clinic sɛ ya me no kasa wo bi ka kyerɛ sɛ hospital bi wo ba bi a ɛyɛ atoro na wodie ɛyɛ Kumase ebu akɔ agogo me pacho nyankopɔn yɛ adoma September 28 ɛna yɛbɛ bi enkrade no me pacho wontimi mfa yale ɛntwɛn from Sabre enkosi September 28 sɛ doctor krasa wo bɛba ɛha ɛkyena na wo yale atua na mo bra obi firi Cote d'Ivoire eba Kumase obi firi Nigeria eba enti sɛ wo wote enkran anatama wa bolga paga na vrongo na ka sɛ ye nka minya nka mekɔ na nso kwan no wa bia na yale ne enhaw ebi sɛ ɛhɔ na wo be yale fo beduru ha wo hu sɛ enuru na ɔtwɛ sɛ na metima kɔ na ase asɔre firi sɛ Time na Dr. Time ɛde bɛto wo so no nyankopɔn adom nti empa ho ɛwɔ medimafo heba clinic metaka asɛm bi sɛ edin medimafo no ewurade bebre ho ɔkɔ hospital bi a ɔkɔ hospital baabi a ɔkɔ na yɛtipaye no wɔde kɔ on PM na the all side day abeka ho because edin na that hospital to kra no e de yale ebre nipa medimafo ene ewurade senka edin hu hia nka nyankopɔ anka nkyerɛ Abraham sɛ Abraham meshiraw ba sɛ meshiraw a me osoro hene min udin ede Abraham min timi fa nkyerɛw gisa mesesa udin ye na Abraham ɛkyɛ sɛ edin ehia edin wo bi ye dey eka metaka kyerɛ me maame me papa sɛ mo to din mo madin a mo hwɛ sɛ mo beto edin antiase wom edin a kyerɛ yedie edin na medimafo no bebre gyetum sɛ waba beduru hɔ no yare na wɔde ba no onya hu doctor ma yɛnhwɛ no ba na wɔnte yare no nka bi anano wɔhene bi ne yetiam ɔsɛ ne kunu emfija be num ni wɔntimi kwan so ne mpagya ne mu da oduru medimafo aka si no a step yi a yɛde kapata asase wa yɛforo kɔsore ɔno na nam so afei na maame ne tiatim ohu de wɔka adai oti ase edi medimafo no kese medimafo antumi ani ama wo a wan bio ne betumi adi ama wo ti na yɛmfa poma ma ho mfa nkofie yɛmfa yale bia ma medimafo mfa nkofie doctor si wo bu akonta bebo so memiensa merewafo ne nkokorafo atopoma ato aguo bebro empem du wano tihwi mu a wasole anante yentumi nka ade akina doctor fu hia se bele a adansidie nku doctor mani atio matopoma atwenio matumi akaso matumi anante o ye maami de na ye na so de so betumi aka atiasefo me ka maami abrewa bi a maami ne si wo sun saa be na otwemiensa send the man for them now, send the man say 87 years, never no was a ababa one no more than about me dimafo. My missus was that for a cool man, a king in a kuro, Nanin saying who not dear. No, my missus also only dinner out to me and son. None the matter ne buy. The money ne buy, ne 2 weeks, no mamma live you are. Mamina and Nante Bay. Nanina a Timmy Huna dear, a crane a way. Mammy. Enye wo fie nti na wo dada mu no wo de bra me di mafu na hwe because me ma me bi oba me ho 105 ono ano nante ba nyankopon betimi aye wo so te sa ma me no o yale ni bia nka na komanto no yem na o me piem kumase ebu akwa agogo afi na wo yale ni bia nya ni da so se ne yale e be firi no so e wo bra wo na ni a kirem wo kumase ebu akwa agogo be ma nya adwuma e 24 hours obeduru ha obema ne beye adwuma mo watme ne oyire ahia wo haw bia ni medimafo no obi peba ya wo duro te se gina hoje wodi gu wonu mu guna na dwodwomie no num ya na ne kuna hia mo hia biem boso me beso na nyinsen na ba nyinsen ne ba wie na watu ya ka eni pam anano 52 years me fa say old woman say woman wo di atnyisa me se mame onyame na meso obi eno wo 58 ya ne bra twa mfinhia de no wanya ba me de enye yie ne ese me wo fa meso de agie duro na ko ye ne boso me na oba na okura konkwa wo tintaso ogum ade monyam kan Israel nyankopon ni a odi ona medimafo so ye ne wo ewo atiatefo asase so no ama na ni monyam adadi se onyame tumi sa yale nyina yale bia ni wa de emfidie kan da bia me kam se onyame asam di nkunim na emfidie adi nkugbo fi se emfidie ti yale bi ni aduro ba nyame asam se otumi sa yale nyina se wo believe emfidie se wo believe nyame asam de Dr. Tam da so ama aye kre se nyankopon adu munya beduru medimafo pa wo yale no on fan sanso enkofie bi san etie wo kumase ebu akwa agogo yeah September no so eba September 21st
Dr. birthday TV
ne TV emoni anwa ewo kumase ye chewi a na otwe so enkra ye de bie enkra de
enti hwehwe me di fo heba clinic wo ebu akwa agogo ana numbers ne na wo screen no ase no 0244774282 0244774282 and 0500727215 0500727215 and 0245449592 0245449592 92 ne numbers me and say Mr. Frey Dr. Time da so ye chere wadwen wan kakura na opese obisa no a obeyi no de amao enti birthday achade no no so beba di trumika na ne yakwaje card ne to na card ne de ba beje anamba
card and ye de beje TV money anwade and na wo bakura and the ego bebre ubenye ba wo pe TV
no
and ye be san che mobile phones
and
is a wo pe TV up mobile phone yes wo beje card if you chine ko ya e wo kuma
wo beje ya hwe na osan dia che
ya wo san dia che me pa cho ensuo no so ya sa se tutu me really feel think I'm sending pictures ne be ma wo mo ye ba bi ma ensuo no anu ye kuro a omo nipa ye fan se bia Medina bosome wi ye share ye records Medina for ba mo a e ba Medina for mo a ye betu nsu ama Medina for
se o be bu
ye tutu enti ni nyina Medina for de e wi ase nyina no se e onyankopon achede ya wo de aba atete for
ya da Dr. Time da so ase papa Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa efie ene ho snit for guso e boy en kaye se wo bia ntua snit ntinto woni bi se wo ye carpenter mason wo ye Uber driver wo ye DA online tepena adwuma bia wo ye bia no eno ho odin tibi to ho na nkokora no mmere wa bom se sika no ana e be hwe wo 2023 Chalawate Street Art Festival no eno so ahase aduada kwasiada ye ginam ti nanso ye ginam dendende ye hia wo su na ye nkodi Chalawate Festival no ewo ho Dominion Herbal Powder eno ana boost your immune system no edema ye de ohia ni so hia de obetumi anomo empty stomach no asa Dominion powder no bia gu no anoma no pa ene anwumra ya re bia kronkro be ye free ho the ointment no so boy body pains no ne ade what the sasa ho no ma ye oni nyina so e call the free ho Fred Dominion was 0543158195 0543158195 and 0249591843 Pure Natural Health and so 3P garlic mixture no unim de garlic ye woni padua no mu eno ana e boost your immune system no high blood pressure so elewano na say brain say menstrual pain and numbness and won say titiri onan ene yetitiri awunya 3P garlic mixture no bi no mu a wona wo kro no frezo na ene piwak for any enkomo brema kwan na yede sie first cheye mpa ahode ne bobo na ni sar mu fan cheye etibidi de afia amankwa tamaklo ne bede na mafa cheye nyame yadoma ochena yede beto aso mi kwa kwasinsia ye krado asemi de kan pensem mu nso ode to aso
babu nyina bache asemi edika ampa commander 6 yesemi anam jinem na meje na me bom e magana re hye etie because baby a eka college and that sonne bedwam on Adom TV yere betwe mpanifo adwen de asine ma bi ekoso a entwaye eho no matu anamon apamatare fefefe hyemi eye edmeku adaruma ena mesaka sa atare ohwa efe esiwe bema pambi ne fashe there be am kan sem we chiro bema de always look good, smell nice, and near mammy you know about the confidence abba bemamu. The case pie is a casem dear, but always look good. No matter I say for sukrana shawa see netoso as she will be able to say yes I brand ya fan ho. Yen na store where she be border from udi wakasa material kwa be pam e dia ma level up the tailor or Medina Libya quarters e won krahaya ba bia audio wo bia fabre no powers no apam ni wo yo ba pam bi fama okunu pam bi fama boy na won fili penu wakasa bi se utto entuma pama o yida to bi fefra friend 0542 413 296 0542 413 296 kache sa kwasisi ase bramenchen isas nubo wo fom ne nsa no so efe na da wona so matare fefe ya arpemede age9 eno amno hye komodie bi ase about Goro boys so kai and ye twaso ye do ko wanim ene ye do ko wanim ene ni akosoma empirical evidence about empenifo akasa num nsem a wo mo aka on how to deal with Goro boys. Ghana man peri His Excellency na Adom dan kwaku far mechi ona no pay akra so ho ye enem sa wa bobo anu biem. February 2020 President Nana Adom dan kwaku fado edi DVL empenifo enim emo pawo dwumade kese bi mu entoma. Sabre man peninya akonya no woni amanfo ekasa no ade bako no akasa mu recognize ye the activities of Goro boys or DVLA. Oh how ni akwasidie amanie ya Goro boys two amanfo a ekope driver's license license wo makasa car wato osika kwakoto man peni na Adom dan kwaku fado in February 2022 3 years ago recognizing the activities of Goro boys at DVLA. That was the time and not DVLA so we call digitalization. I quite remember very well President Kufuor and some Kaya. Member some team Namakenti. I will quote the president. As someone yanka seman penny be nenum ekaya on how they have dealt with Goro boys. And at that time, if my memory serves me right, President Kufuor declared and said, no more Goro boys following digitalization. We are equally relieved that DVLA offices are no longer the same place it used to be. And we can get a driving license with ease without going through Goro boys. President Adom dan kwaku fado February 2020. February 2020 when DVLA announces say they are going digital. Asemo ya mampeni ekano no more Goro boys. Mampeni with all due respect enra we will show me sheda tuka ekosi DVLA headquarters. Before I'm about 37 then. And I will see, and I make us a to the beer. You so more mama penny information. I want for more. I want from. I want because I look as say, more map your president and with the reality on the ground. And we have eliminated as of 2020. 3 years down the line. As of 2020, our president says, we are eliminating you. We have eliminated Goro boys. And I'm just catch you say digitalization here at the pa. Obi catch you say enya the pe bia no on pe wiase nkanko. Especially on pe Ghana mpuntuo. But me say nipa and the so computer. The mentality of Ghanaian. The mentality of Ghanaian. Ayo how edimaye. Ayo how kese pa edimaye. So how did we eliminate Goro boys in 2020? And in 2023, they have even multiplied their numbers. Now what 2020? Me say I wish say e be one day me man penny disguise no. Now the man go see DVL crowd now okay say we have eliminated Goro boys no one for the nin hwa de fa na so nti asem. Man penny will come to appreciate say sometimes information and the man no enye ni nyina na e no kore. E bika e de fans. E bika se na be ya woni ba ye fe o man penny anim. Some of man penny crowd for the man information no some of them are not working. Goro boys di enya. Na nnu akwa na mstart yesem awra okra eyese. When say after Goro boys ne wo MPP Goro boys ne wo NDC Goro boys. Ese Goro boys no NDC for no They also work through NPP Goro Boys. Sometimes, Upe be now Prime Minister na MPP. Also, my mama boy be number na friend or Goro Boy. Most of them are Goro Boys. Oh, my boy, sort it out. A two fragano can say, senior minister, pa, the other way they care, and get 1,000. This is also some of we are on my faso, and they are creating new Madiam Wankasa for. And a queer Ghana for. It's not digitalization, they be Goro Boys everywhere. And you know, comedy kaka say digital there. Ye be you computer ni ye koda e be dundum no. Nipa le be dum ye ba so ye be so nipa le be so. And ye wo NPP Goro Boys. Be se ko DVL 37 ko he. And ye wo NDC Goro Boys. Because the NPP wa ba muntino, NDC Goro Boys no are working through NPP Goro Boys. Na na ba ko say o de me me odwuma wo nyama me no ye party beba. Wo bebre madwuma so be ya ma wa. Evra na esa kra esre na ahomete. Na esre na esa ahomete. MPP ni NDC are finding a way to create a job opportunities for Monkrofo at the expense of the ordinary Ghanaian. It's a Ghana ni ehuna money. And you bet on 200 Ghana cedis no. Or before Goro Boys so could 2,000 Ghana cedis. Me se bes afiba kun finhye me na bes na twem konim. Okofa Goro Boys onya driver's license ma wa. Obeju bes 1,500 Ghana cedis and then nam 2,000. A day driver's license they saying. Driver's license you say. And you fa nipa bone fo wodi factor bi tutumoto ma kromfo. And mo sha ban nyumam. And wo bo Ghana krono, wo bo Ghana fom. Yeah, ni aba be kan sa we have eliminated yemleti dey ampani eliminated hwe nipa bi o ma da information bia no eye false information president Kufuado so mo catch us said digitalization is eliminating Goro Boys from DVLA eye tro. They lied to you, Mr. President. They lied. Whoever gave you that statement lied or you liar. Simampani, I wish that one day just disguise yourself. Now we are kataban best at 2 o'clock now. A honum as son for any quashadie for a son. A TSM. But did you have here? Person met also. Senior me, a mere canifua, a bedroom. Then you want Casabotum. A semi edica. Edipese Yes, I'm going to go to the Emra Bedwam Tumedi so. Person era so. A brave say penny back betna say Eddie Enkom. Was my cow say Memeda Eddie enemy Kokromoti power. Your election headquarters. We are the commanders of Ghana's election. Moistem ni akansem. Saturday said yes ye nasu ABM. Ghana mantam dun sieni nyina NPP. Special delegate election no ekoso no. Ya man bofo e wo ho no mu a ye de amane bo every live memre da no panos nya ko for video eto Adom TV tie Adom 106.3 FM tie Asempa 94.7 FM and Enshira 104.5 FM. Your social media handles ni nyina so kwa ye live and so on from Facebook to YouTube to TikTok to Instagram, Twitter, baby bia obeko bia no ye live. Ehol ma betimi asachi na wetimi follow and so on. And no ye need Dr. Osu Afri Akoto edi nkobo. And ye need the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia, the spokesperson, the economic advisor. Onabunso Epridibrew Frubi, NPP Amuyukum. The Dr. Gideon Buako, and then Babetrim Kobo and Anopay. Na ye ministers ni MPs no ebi ye adwuma me de da bia me ka se especially assembly kan ye nyesi ye bo aban chi ni nyina throughout aban ye na efe aban ye na estefata be ka wasem minister bi to anamo na ye na estefata MPB na estefata be ka wasem wo ye na chi ya nso be ka wasem. One of such MPs MP for Fuase Ayerebi, we minister for information Kojo Ponkroma I think ono so ne afam no eboa ne mate so re batum ye se obi akwanya atomu a odi e training ne mabunu ya ewo ne constituency some so betimi nyansa no mo wi a wasam mo dwetre e de akwa akosua adwuma no maba abesua no enti se eye enku ye na mpese mo ya ne nyina so obo akwanya ato no a wo chechum nia. These are some of the things mabunu no expect from penifo sembe de na me ya ahoye hia na aba so no ano betimi abras enti onam kodwo ponkoma. Thank you and good work ya wo ye edema wo de share wo ofuase ayire bi me ka say Adom City Estate onofo edan de me so koso hand dan kosi awieye because enen kram dan bo edin enen de an kan na ye be say 300 Ghana ne twembe say 700 cedis it is as low as 300,000 Ghana cedis with me efiura wo say me kan say awanyo say yesuo we de me da twia utwia ne kakra be twia wi kra wankasa kra nya we say ye 2 bedroom 3 bedroom detached semi detached an executive ko Adom City Estate for nchen na wo estate mu onso no akwan ni nyina eye nkane owo ensu owo security nso ye tight friend 0308 250 068 0308 250 068 Adom City Estate omo na eboa wo amonya ba be do ti atimi ato Challe Water Festival 2023 started at osu abonte so ejagum dendendendeni Multimedia Group Limited, Joy News, Joy Prime, Adom TV, Adom FM, Asempa FM, etechre hit 103.9 FM neka chirama afide no ayesron kokwan so kra. Unse free enano kwada no edwada no eba nyina no wona masu a ufili vibe no. Challe Water Festival afide no esron kokra because of multimedia. You are trusted, reliable media brand. And etechre afi. Straight sort of for me can so say enyomo me ye bosum adwuma nko na etwia enteda ho. Won so a wo ye ankrankra adwuma. Wo ye wankasa ansa na adwuma. So ye fitani, so ye tailor, so ye hairdresser. So wo ton mo mpokra won kwanchen. Cosmetic fo nche ne ko register. Ne twia nkakra fatu won. Se na bi wo chine bu kwa hoje mu a woni aha antete mo amre wa abrabo mu. Wo pa asem nchire mu bi afre 0302 611 622 0302 611 622 and I dial star 711 star 9 hash star 711 star 9 hash that's need for it me well. Dr. Gideon Obuako Atenase meaning the Akwesi Insia. Dr. Boko there. Akwesi na me Adom Boko na so.
Is me na mdim hoisi na so na Adom hoisi.
Say the make us a minimum. So, one cassa, a Juma say, or the Architra soy, a tank crying, sorry, and Musa auntie for the past best 2-3 months there. Your born tour, a campaign, one cassa, Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Badwam. In Tiana, Ama, official Mrs. Siana, a Hawaii drink a crack. The same no cassa, we are only Saturday election neighbor. So, there was some side. TMNH na yako other regions na yako share send your juma so siko
before we call a year campaign ne abamu sense benura e we say mapani abade chire ABA a year Tamale International Airport that $70 billion project no e ho about something say
Tamale Airport no e ka enyuma bi a maybe a twem mapani abade chire etiane na chi Eko English abrochimemo England eko ye meetings bi na meetings no monsunsan so e buy ne se mampani etimi ekasai enya sika efri abrochimemo na sa sika no ye de baba ye nyuma bi wo Ghana ha sa nyuma no na Tamale International Airport no eka ho I pass submit my search on internet so cry somewhere 2019 and I think say yes Oko Ghana web story where our treasure Badwam returns home with funding for Tamale Airport Bekwai Hospital and Kumasi Airport expansion. So so story where more published on Friday 1st March 2019 and me kai pass sa trip on the vice president and the coy London. Ye ba mo no. Omampani abedi actually as chairman of the economic management team no. I should share Jumadi of course with the express authority of the president.
na almost share be a friend of UK Ghana Business Council meeting. So UK Ghana Business Council meeting, a co-chaired into Ghana ni baako and a dano, and UK Abrochimemo so baako and a dano. Na omampani abedi achire and I will see Ghana mampani ne Ghana and a co-chair sa UK Ghana Business Council meeting. Nti afi bia no ye meetings mienu e din share mu mienu baako Ghana na ye baako nso e wo English Abrochimemo. And Mr. Benson Bosumi mienu ni ye call English Abrochimemo so call ya another one. Somewhere December this year almost be Ghana na ya another one. Ti sankita hodinu mu na enam so a 2019 you call UK somewhere February, latter part of February, because March. Omampani abedi achire enya sika akosreye ma enya sika ya de tamale interchange bekwai hospital completion and na Kumasi Airport phase 2. Nti so hu se Kumasi Airport phase 2 no pempon so adra babes 90% complete no. Yes can be omampani abedi achire ekunya bae no and the yes ade no and na face be kwai hospital so be kwai hospital for president ko 4 time we see Professor Melos Mahama na yintimi wie ti sase kan bi na ba omi akonya bae de wie and na fenso tamale interchange airport ya nra vice president eko biano no nti we no mo so ye some of the impacts are Obibeka as vice president Baumia as vice president or making in the governance. Sometimes in Crawford people describe him as a first-class vice president because of the impact or share project it is Obechebe Lamte phase 2 or more years and also through UK Ghana Business Council meeting and about me funding the buy Kumasi market KJTR Central Market phase 2 no more years also and also through UK Ghana Business Council meeting the contractor now or Kumasi Airport no or no answer now or we see in Swakaho. And the other projects, also Sino Hydro projects, by the first ever interchange in the northern region, Tambali, is 0.7 interchange, and also a number of and so Sino Hydro, and in Croneba.
ABC flyover. ABC interchange.
Oh, semantics. The most important thing is Tamale na ye share them who kai na was and them we move however you describe it. And these are some of the impacts Baumia as vice president.
So the vice president here well connected to even get us enough resources for our development.
Oh yeah, enough. In fact, Uko Kumasi, also Usi Kumasi, there are a lot of fresh roads asphalt overlays the inner city of Kumasi and also through Sino Hydro and we are funding for 100 kilometers of Kumasi inner city roads. Okokati so they were Kentin Kronon Senie. They are not for Kentin Kronon, this Amantamu, Asokwa, Atunsu, Bantama. A lot of roads are Hobebreno, a true Sino Hydro, Dr. Baumia Debai, or Okobabiti Sunyane. Town roads, Dr. Belcon, the Berlin Top, and also a true Sino Hydro. Oko Cape Coast, inner city roads. Or Cape Coast, and also Baumia, true Sino Hydro, Sikana, or the Bayano, or PTC interchanger. Or the Santa Crade. Through that, Oko Babita saying in a hini in Passatia, or Santamemo, acquire your in a hini chrome in Passatia, all those places, and also a true Sino Hydro. Sikanity. The impact of Bahumia on this economy, and it is right, say Nipa Bibe describe as a first-class vice president because what demonstrated beyond reasonable doubt. Say even as vice president, what Timmy up pop it up. Sometimes and a lot of the time I want to your vice president and then can I boom within I want to mean and no be attribute to them.
And because we're lucky to meet a president. One man no much room to operate. Say when you're president or no face, say no so huni amanyo semu nyina bohunu. Enti also take a front lead. Enti na mabaumia enyane sa.
In the first place, me no ya adwene say President Kufuor ewo GD mapa ewo baumia mo. Na sebe mpreduasa. Okandifo bia ni ho a obenya GD ewo bia odine na chimu a say nipa no enda suban bia dia emeritus trust and confidence. The Baumia so the suit and then the buy edikan na ho brase our jitum se obae so obabesum na ye woni wura wo ho ansa na ono so ba nti ono no emeye ne ho se minim na makọ school na ma ye PhD na se na me ye madwuma dada na abefa me se me ye vice president ono so di ahobrase na esom se wone ura esom emfa ho ne nimdie a wo na wo mu ade ombre wo ho ase na me ma wa battery so a adwuma kese kra ha wonye de omfa nhye wonsa nti esese ye hu ne se gidi a mampani akofa do anya oba omiemo no it is merited and it's also based because Badwam so adasuban bi e dia e kire se president ekata na nikwa na onisa branti we dia obadwene nyansemu obeye dia ebema oman ni nyina ye de etumpon na onye bibi nso a ebetia me sasa besabe ye ne ayesu di Badwam ye che kasama no ofi se nka me sorry a me kasama Badwam na me so mimuade anase me suban ne mane ye bia kasabe ya pam kwada na exactly nti e kire se Badwam so adasuban bi e dia e kire se merit na odi adene so hye ne sa obetumi aye to no so de no anapa so ma hu se ninso personal report to say government settles 2.4 billion coupons on new bonds
ye ba wonum nyina ba form komo ye ba bedi esie na me ye adwuma wedi aba no eye Dr. Badwam as NPP flag bearer from ETSA eno ko ne ba me ka nyame ya be mereda NPP super delegate election year ba be no account to that say Adom TV Adom FM Asempa FM Nhyira FM yakabom ye the live coverage bro ya benye bi atwe enti enyiwe fidie enframe me da no pa no sia ko the dem ya ye from all the 16 regions nyina hwewe embrace here enti bimre day kan ho anopa no sia pepepe about to start no so na ese ye kagma what ne yakoso ebia delegates about 960 and to sa special delegate about we edameda edi ye before say be doctor we say the message say please ask Dr. Gideon Buako. Professor John Evans Atama started Bekwai Hospital. It's not Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Badwam. Where is he getting his facts from?
Well, me jidi say yeni animo muti enso yakasa aya omuntie asem na yeka no. Man kasa Dr. Badwam and share Bekwai Hospital. In fact, me kasa President Kufo. Yeah. Me kaipa some woni sa Santa Mantem na me di menkui. Omampani dada akofo and share Bekwai Hospital no ase na me kasa Professor Nelson by Mahama by omo ntumi anwie ti Badwam ade a oye ne so kopesika ma ye di be wie Bekwai Hospital man kasa ono no shase enye president Messi Kraso ne shase e shase president ko 4 time
eti clarification no aba a form to say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Badwam combine his position as vice president and flag bearer hopeful
for me na me can be biansa na we break no say oshe ninso pesima finance minister Iraq no Foriata enya sika omo sign up for aban domestic debt exchange program no omo coupons on the bonds no we release sika 2.4 billion Ghana cedis anyame adoma efie na ekoye omo social se omo de aye due this month no otua e de amomo we no ekire gidi mapa yewo ewo aban mu se the finance minister kaye se sa anhyehyeye no ye de ba no ba oman ni bia no ha ni sika bekam no ampa de o se ayoyo a omo sika no anyini bosomi wie mu no o hyase no otua mom na chese wa wo de bedru su bia nso aban finance minister betua mount we de yeda Iraq no Foriata se minim sense ade we me were professors bi wo kwam nkromasi apomu a no mbebo sipa se sika no mo so sabeka mo de ma branch ba ko bi so odua yankwanta no so ye party ni pa ya branch pa obono mo de ye djuma yem ni so no so ene honorable Lewis no nyina o mate den sane ya wo kai no campaign no de ya shase you so ye djuma na o hwa o mampede ya be de akire or your polling station electoral area coordinated constituency mass campaigns for about 5 or 6 regions. If we now actually when you break kakra, you focus on the super delegates. So mona bana year 20 now CC you answer na ya twaso ako November until regions na yenyan ko ho you super delegates ya afino mampani ya be de chere e ba be call sa regions so na akobon to
nsɛm a mampani bi de akyerɛ de nam a wɔka no titiri a wɔn paa no ɛne sɛ ɔkyerɛ partyfoɔ no na wɔhyɛ partyfoɔ no srɛ wɔn sɛ biribi a yɛyɛ biara no yɛnsusu na yɛmmɛgya no yie ne yɛhunu sɛ yɛbɛwie no ɛde nkabɔ mu ɛbɛba party no mu ɛsiane sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛgye tom sɛ 2024 aba no a yɛrekɔ no ɛyɛ tumi a yɛpere ne mprɛnsa so in the role ɛde ama NPP political party bia no ha wɔtumi ayɛ saa adeɛ no ɛwɔ Ghana ha yɛbaa ho kakra 2008 first round nso second round no anyɛ yie na ɛkyerɛ sɛ MPP betumi yɛ di nkunim a ɛsɛ sɛ yɛtumi enya nkabɔmɔ soronko nipa dodoɔ na agye tum paa sɛ 2008 sɛ na enya menteme ho ase bi a ɛbaayɛ unfortunately nipa ni bi ɛyɛ so ya resign afei ya say aba ne nkro ne bananka nya ahoɔden ɛka yɛ ho bɔ mu yie ɛkɔpre tumi na ka first round no Kenya absolute victory nanso ɛno makakra bi ɛbaayɛ ne menteme ho ase bi ɛbaayɛ no ɛna tweyɛ ɛsan yɛkyiri nti vice president say ɛfa ho ne nipa yɛ de ne bedi yɛ party n'anim 2024 no I was say party ne timi gyina brand ne nya nkabɔ mu soronko asane yɛtumi di akɔ na yɛne a yɛdi ba wo miachi no anaso ɔno ankasa nso gyetum sɛ de nyankopɔn aka wɔ soro no saa ne bɛyɛ wɔ fam na party for no so yɛtie wɔ mu a na ɔhwɛ sɛnea ɔmo se gye yɛnsɛm na ɔmo de tumi no bɛma yɛ wura ba
ɛbrɛbɛ na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne bɛgye ho sɛ obɛtuma pani franka de ama NPP
sub politics there I guess policy deal no obi eno ha your policy ne a onya GP a oni na emeto wa na emeto enti bre potin pa de mintimi ensejina mintimi nkasa bre se no sejina na emum de ebeda di ma yina ye hu ye eye bra MPP AOP nominations ebia bra okọ ne kotodwa anim ne nyankopon okasa wo se ono so watena se ahwehwe no ho wadwene ho wabom paye one ne nyankopon akasa ti bro ne nyame kasa de na menyina obi ka ne nyame na obi nyina ho nanso bra beda this party na OP nominations ne de o ma nyina ne Ghana fo nyina so asoten yourself person o gina bi na se na America na o giti se adwuma wa ye wo party ne mu in opposition ne bra ye sha se introduce no to NPP politics and governance you represent ko for time and the why and never be seen and this and was ya da ahobrase and suban bi edin o gidi se party for no ebenya gidi wo no de tumi no ahyenensa
amanfo free say President Akufo-Addo ene ne nwan me peso mo take control of NPP ene pushi Dr. Alhaji Bawumia by force na share NPP for a con because omon peso be lose grip of NPP even when MPP co-position and nothing here force Dr. Bawumia Embrano.
I know that a young seven previous are money Bawumia pray.
Okay.
Na yes the own pewasem Usia wasakra no achianipa. Enti I am yourself sansem say the omobeka. Edi kaino. Ehunu se Bawumia only Akufo-Addo any problem.
Okay.
Send you will be any problem ewo Ghana hano. Enti there is no point. Sɛ obekwa kugina simpi so no waka asem bi e de atia Yewura Akufo-Addo anasa naban ono so waka aban ne ho bi ba chote meche na se na wa wonim Bawumia no na wo se menim no or submitting the forms no waka asem bi I say I have my own vision so okay is a line okay nim difo a wotesa obi na no kasa asem na se wote ase yi na yenhunu so se the executive presidency na wo Ghana ha no it is hard to me show on some obi bia otenchen any wo so control
okay
what I say so be a president of Ghana ha Ghana president and executive authority in national sir enti ebeye wan beye den say obi be kasa wo ba omi abeye president a na just asumasi and e ba be control na se be predia ono so oni adwene what I say it doesn't happen anywhere me who be so that Sabe President Mills ba sabe no kan. Also be consulting Rollins 24/7. And yes sir, President Mills kra de o kan say ono de to abama na susu de obesusu bia ono Rollins na be de ebesusu. Ye to abama na we de ne sie. Ono Rollins in term de ne sie. Rollins ka asem kan no de adwuma. Enti obi be ye president and you be never control.
So nye easy say president for bit me influence.
Oh, I mean, so if it's a good influence, fine. See any ati when na Ghana ni bia person no susu bibi na ye papa ba omi ade ye adwuma so ye president. So if President Akufo-Addo also if you so won susu die bi na ba omi ane na ban adwene mo. Omo hunu say e susu die be bo man na why not? Seven President Akufo-Addo so onye kakai. And no abeka say me president nti o ka asem bia me so me montungu sa ono so ya opanyina wasom Ghana abone bra ono so kire na adwene e wo se ba omi aban ho se obi bia aban ho nyansa wo ma eye adwuma se president Mahama ti wo sisi na wo so wonsu ste bi na president Akufo-Addo hu se so de ye adwuma on ka se Mahama ne kan nti me mfa nya adwuma na nti ba omi ade o ye very open onye wo no mo a se bi o mo ye boni ayefo a obewa be gina bontena be ka se president Akufo-Addo nya bibia ma no anase President Akufo-Addo aban onya bibia mfiri mu anase President Akufo-Addo aban o ka ho de enso boni bia wo mu on ka ho ba omia enye boni ayesa ba omia eyo bia obu ade na osuro nyame na obu nipa.
I have my vision. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia, I'm a man on my own. Adena Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia fan vision no anti President Akufo-Addo as vice president may achieve the Ghana na ye nyina rather he wants to become a president.
Yeah. And okay, sir anenka na nka bia ehun hia kra se Yesu Kristo beba. Ose one de mfiti ase no na wo ho. Na no no ne asem na ono asem no so na obeye nipa. Ti de Moses beye ye na wo, de Elijah beye ye na wo ho ye na ka so Yesu de no honhom ni nyina time Moses ne Elijah ne edifo ne bae na chi. Na nka wiase ye gi wiase si ho. Enso nyame hu hia ehia. Se Moses odi kan bae adwuma obeye ye na chi no. Odi Moses otosomienu aye Yesu Kristo ye de eba. Say Yesu Kristo so no special assignment ene dwumadie bia nyame fi say ono na sese odi hye na ono so nko a na obetimi aye de obetimi aye sa anso na Elijah na Elisha nante edru bra Elijah okro no na Elisha wo ho enso beka so Elisha de obetimi aye bia nka so de ta Elijah ti enso nyame hu say dwuma ni bi wo ha na Elisha ena obetimi aye nti akokodru na Elisha wo no na Elijah ni bi when you say Drew baby Elijah kro dwane what am I say Elisha no wakokodro chan Elijah enti saa na Moses ni Aaron so anka Aaron nyame betima ka say fa wo de time Moses say say Drew baby no nyame hu say Moses untimi fa nipa no enkodru bo sha asase no so malama won tran chen na obi mra be ye de ebeto aso enti saa na nyame hyehyeye mu no esitie enti ba omia nso eye ne nipa su a oye soronko what you say ono so wodi nyame ede adua ni mu a ebia eye sonko echen de wo Ewura Akufo-Addo mo Ewura Akufo-Addo woni de wo ne vision adwene ba omia so woni de ana sebe mpreduasa oya abedi akire nso a de obetima ya ne so be yensusuye okay oye yensusuye na nipa dodo no ana se Ewura no gitum se be ye adwuma na ye adwuma nemom se wo na wo table no na wo ye in charge de a onso wo nsusuye bia betima ya de betimi ede aba se na ye ken omo mugina wa MPP munyina obi eno ha wonya MPP ni ti ade nti no mo nso omo nim di omo no mo fanta Ewura Akufo-Addo achi na Ewura Akufo-Addo nya no mo so mo pese omo di president ebi no mo nso asom wa Akufo-Addo aban mu ebi aye ministers CCS ne nkro ne ba ebi nso ye key influencers ebi ye board chairman ne ade nti ne nkomo so nyina nya no mo ntenase na nkomo nim di omo wo no omo fanta Ewura Akufo-Addo achi ne ma Ewura Akufo-Addo ntena ho afebo so one day or forever president yenyina yenta na chi and so amamra no kire se Ewura Akufo-Addo ekọ imprenu a se wotena nchen no be for so ba se nipa na wo ba no MPP ni bia wo ho kwan se wo ye
vision be pa na Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia ekita this so ye president asana what me implement
yeah so Bawumia vision is say ogidi pa se e wo se Ghana haye wo ya hwekwane a ye befa so a ye betutu meka na ye ne aman a edikan no akọ gina bia bra akọ na ye so yetima boye homode membia na akọ ye se agese ye twen ankrofo dikan kọ a na se ye wia edi omachin kakra na saa kwan no ne abefo kwan a ye fa so akikire oman ma oman economy no etimi gina ne gina yie saa kwan a ye fa so yes ade no enye nipa nyina na mo wo pepa so mo do mo behim ahwe na ya ye ne sa sansa wo ye ho adwuma politician de obi at ho so o osidan ha no obi hu se wasidan emu the soft infrastructure ne no ma ka ho a etimi kekase ni ma economy ni gina ya na nipa bibiri inform adwene ye de enkoso na ono nso ehunu se owosu ane ban bi ne akoma pa bi a se be sa akoma pa no otimi di animu na ode sa vision no ba na wonya Ghana fo nyina momoso ni mu a obetimi e de aye normal akese e de ama oman Ghana ya akoma pa sebe mpreduasa empapa mu ni mu se osusu se ono oye president a ono bi any problem na sebio na ninkodi enoma bi achi nso a ase akwakoye se ohwehwe bibi e de ama no honko a abra oman no so ebesofa ehia sa genuine people say omobe lead the country Oshabaumia but demonstrated throughout since oba politics so you're very genuine or ye nipa bi as a Ghana de need him as president his credibility and genuineness alone so we were kasa Baumia de ketase share any proye enya dia obitim dia fa ne fichi sabi obeye vice president onihwe wanya no ho bebre se ne better this for kind mami nya me ho bebre mami nya hwe nso ono no ogidi pa se sa su ene ban ene ahofama ye wo edima oman no owo se nyame eya adom na ye de ne di anima obitima da sa su banadi ade aye adwuma akoma pamudi aboa Ghana obi bia waka bia nso ebitimi awo esu ane ban a owo anti opese odi omampani baba omi afi se owo sa sunsu na opese ode som na osua adwuma no nso enya sua hunu bebre afri erakofo ho enya sua hunu bebre afri erakofo ado ho a wagidi se so ke kasa ampani fu isu ho a wanya afri ho esi edin na ode ka ono nso ne de anyame de adua ni mu ho a obetimi ama ya boye homode ama Ghana nso etimetumpon because the Ghana here any good leadership nimdie ne de Ghana for nimdie no say wo president no kra no won shede nibia Ghana for ye de ewo nimdie na ombetim de aboa na so botu say Ghana nibi wa adwene bi kama nimdie bi sese yetimi som ne ye de boa na ya mana koye amanyosem bebre onye ya manyo ninti anase sabe yene ne wo problem bi anase sa nimde na ode ban ebia nipa bi nyamfa so bi free hunti no ya ka hye to hia sa leader no a onwene mfa so a empa no ho bebre ne ma ba
Dr. Fachempa pesa ba obi na yema boys eni sika sesi from game park eti yepemula ebre aso kwa baby emfa emran pese mo so on Badwam wo Adom TV so mama very good morning koma set Deborah Odro aka ranking member ona ye Badwam secretary ma NPP amyuku wabaso beto special delegate abatu ebekoso memre de welcome to Ghana wabe de sibi bia be fine wode kakra aba etie mo akwa aba enso doctor NPP for any so de hunu ba ko pa ye se ye break the 8 amam for be fee say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo led NPP government a failed dia obi bia o kan administration bia no en deserve so be lead party because oton Ghana for enton ye beda sideline we nyina na abaje Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na oye mampani no right hand man pair ajet him say ye to abama no for 2024 this is the fear Emma NPP adeshe.
Yeah, Eddie kind, you know. So, seminar so yeah, the American is a false narrative.
Okay.
Or more, or money, or one penny a bit a AC a kind be a chassis, so more tone at the party delegates.
Okay.
Now, me say a backfire, I need Juma. Now, a more pese, or more chess, a buying a feel. Na Bawumianso ene Akufo-Addo ene ya ban no tisa ban na feel dia de Bawumi akwa enye den enye yi tisa opani bi kura ko catch delegates ni bi say ye ni message ti yakọ 2024 ebe de amaye na omuru efi say opani for say o we offer nsa na wahwe wo de
okay
because omo ne year about me gyina no enkanka ne omo sha ase so omo kekasa nsem omo so omo ka aban we
okay
omo som wakufu ado aban so na omo ne sa aban ne nya dia enka president ma omo position anka so omo tranche
okay second term
yeah nipa bi say year alanche matin osom wakufu ado aban mo bese mfiensia e confiance enye sa nti aban ne ye mfien watwe aban ti sa wasom mfiensia ne fa sa aban ne nya dia sa ne won so ka ho bi era akota free ono so asom aban mu mfiensia ne fa e confiance and this aban ne nya dia also ka ho bi era Canada Japan ono so ka aban we ho oye board chairman for Ghana Gas
e ono so onye appointment
what you say Ghana Gas board chairman no and this aban ne nya ono so ka ho bi era Jako no ono so ya energy minister this aban ne nya dia also ka ho bi sabe nipa ni bia anwene anhunu se o we for nsa e wo se won so ye de o hwe wo de
omo se aban kra nya
na omo pese omo se ya aban no na sabe mpreduasa echiriko kwa 24 in the mind nti sansam no mo sha ase so mo de nante no very unfortunate na sabe nipa bonesam kakra nso wo
okay
menyi ni se obi bi opeso digana enim bia no otimi de saa adwen ne hye ne trim because I was MPP abanya MPP crew ya so na opeso ye de oba bi di animu na de cooperate to me abenden na yeyesa ani nyina ne se na mo pekwan bi so apamatade bi ade ahye yewura bawomia na yamano sekraman yemoni dimbone na ye mfa na nyade ye nsen no nanso yemusa ye ho se aban we ewo musa sani aban bi atie no enye bibia ye di si ye ni so si ye beye bia na yatumi aye na eno so nti ye nkase ye nko election na ye ko election na hwan mo ne no mo kwakosi aka nya NDC for sabi NDC for so mo ba aban mo no de omo kan bia na omo timi ye ya na da bi ti wie sa election we se ne ba omi aka kire party for na ko kaye ne NDC for there o ti ba omi asa wase Mahama de mu nko ya mo de no be fa so
omo so se ba omi afa de ye campaign ye the speakers speeches krom
nti ade nti na NDC for so ya na omo di ba omi atem so omo fi se ba omi ane ba omo atadwo mate dende na omo betima we ne election ne hands down there ni kwanse nko mo di ba omi atem so NDC for so ahwe omo sera no pa baomia awia baomia anwumre baomia omoda no moso da yakura baomia and this ni bia bi na no asem na fa baomia ho kura opeso oka na ode beka etia baomia
and because of the promise I would be a original partner in mind
say omahunu se baomia and betimi edi wonya and this if they tell us in confidence and am near this ni bi shi apanyi pa was na visa se be enim nyansa na baomia no de inu somebody ne bebe hajun azuka dia san azuka kan hu sa video no awon dem rante bi no kase ba omia ni pa bi a o man hwe ni ya obe ha NDC party no ti NDC for nan kase nim na ekoba MPP ni NDC afena na ye de record ye de e ba beto sebe mpreduasa Mahama kura wa be di o mampani wo de dum so ba ye ahokire ba ye san like koto petrol ne nkro ne ba teacher for e kira de mfim yensa na eti o mobosome miensa sabi yenye sika ntua teacher nursing training allowance nursing training chalk kura na yenye sika nya bi ni ade ono kura no say obetimi asa babio abedi president
asmo penso yentua teachers allowance
ba yetua nursing training allowance yetua
ekabo
say sabi ya kade enti say yetwam kura oti ase eti Mahama kura say obetimi asa babio abedi president pacho oti amechana say Mahama kura nya akukuduro ama NDC for anya ne mujidi so betima asamba bia be di president enti se sabe ba omi a ondi president da na MPP modima yabo odi tutu nsane ani a nya NDC de yonko ne ya se me biem kakra kirewa se yese ye ka modima aban bi abo ne di kan wo fa economy no kra ne de be kan se data na kra na 2013 to 2016 NDC for average growth of the economy, they are 3.9%.
Okay.
2017 to 2019, President Kufuor had a cost 7%. 2017 to 2020, a 4.9%. See, Hong Kong can GDP growth, economy growth. Ya boy, home modern Ache Mahama. It is a Kobasa, your name Mahama Asia. There's nowhere Mahama will make us a born home modern chair. Offer BBT's agriculture growth. Mahama, they are 2.9% on average. mprempre Akufo-Addo de awaye bisi sabri 6%. Nti Mahama ntimi nka say wabɔ ne ho mmɔden ɛkyɛn MPP.
Doctor, wait me but for agriculture hɔ na no. And aduane bo ɛden. Even from the farm gate.
Keka ba meba ne nyina so. Offer bibi to say industry growth. So industry say aye Ghana. And this year ban bia na obi tuma ka say waye bibi sa akyɛ. 2013 to 2016 the average growth was 3.3%. So see America is about 4%. And to for bibia na person na de tutun say ne ne a. Mahama ne this year ban ntimi for month to. Ma mema o data kakra. MPP aban ye wo ho sisi ya me no ka say. Aye akwan ewo Ghana ha ɛkyɛn aban bia since 1992.
Okay. New akwan anase.
Yes.
Akwan ya dada so tu ya
kota. Akwan de Ghana akwan bia no ya foforo Ghana ha.
Okay.
Ba bia akwan se kota de go se ho dada me kura se kwan ho dada nti ko twi so a na de kota go se kwa bia no ya foforo. Okay. Aban bia no a wasi no habilitate airports ewo Ghana ha ɛkyɛn President Akufo-Addo aban since 1992. Aban we aye more railway lines akyɛn aban bia since 1992. Aban we aye install rural telephony ewo Ghana ha akyɛn aban bia since 1992. Aban we asi more classroom blocks akyɛn aban bia since 1992. Aban we asi more STEM schools akyɛn aban bia since 1992. Aban we asi more libraries akyɛn aban bia since 1992. Aban we have provided the highest number of TVET centers akyɛn aban bia since 1992. Aban we have provided astroturfs akyɛn aban bia since 1992. Aban we have provided ambulances akyɛn aban bia since 1992.
Okay,
just a second. Can we hana just a bed distorted.
30 seconds then for.
Aban we asi more hospitals akyɛn aban bia since 1992. Aban we asi Fidijuma factories akyɛn aban bia since 1992. Aban we
Fidijuma
asin aban bia since 1992.
We see Fidijuma
factories. Yeah, akyɛn aban bia since 1992.
There be wa support ankran come see enuma na say we see Fidijuma. Yeah.
The yesi foforo wo ho. Na the aban aso nkrofo asene wo ho. The aban we yesi. Edo change the aban bia yes since 1992. Me just end this sentence. The yesi foforo.
Okay.
Edo change the aban bia yes since 1992. The yaso nkrofo asene amoma page mu so do so change the aban bia yes since.
Say Ghana ni a wo hwe na no pay nim say o kan aban factory a. Ye nim say e Ghana aban edia. Tema oil refinery e Ghana aban edia. Say bi na wo ka say ne mo aye no do so change aban bia yes since 1992.
Factories aban we aye and the aban aso ankrankra asene
ni aban we aye ye oman ne dia no yes
meba the mechanic say one district one factory policy na the buy the buy say ya aban policy na ye the ankrankra abam ama ya yes policy ti ye saa de ni wia we aban free ma eni but what me chance and no asem na make sisi a
it be say aban we see factories chain aban bi abesene kwa
be American is aban we penso so the juma aba omayimu
maybe
under the one district aban bi exactly that's fine. Aban we are providing more fiber optic cables aban bi since 1992. Aban we see more fish landing sites adults watching aban bi since 1992. Aban we are establishing more drone centers, in fact the only government since 1992. Aban we have provided the highest number of equipment, vehicles, ammunitions, and so on to the security services aban bia since 1992. Aban we have provided the lowest increase in electricity tariffs aban bia since 1992.
Doctor,
I'm coming. It's true. The lowest cumulative increase in electricity tariffs.
And yes, increment
for I'm just saying, okay, kabumua. Tumua abaso wa aban we abanso. Okay, Kambum now they compare aban bia wa since 1992. The aban we atum ye the lowest. The data is there.
Near what tumo?
Yeah, the lowest.
But ye chia and you real figures no.
Utia so they atum na wutia. Yantu they atum.
Ye chia say no. Anu nya den chen na ye chia na mrebi.
So we say brofo na yeka. Yeka the rate of increase.
Okay.
How much
do I dey atum?
No asem the yeka.
Okay. And I say aban we not tene de so
check. Say what so me say predodo a de atom no. E wo form. E che aban bia wa me ka say ye to.
Okay, nti so ne Ghana ne person won say ene nkane abo na wotwa no e wo form che ne wotwa ne bia atwem na.
Yan kan sa. Say sika de.
Yeah.
Okay. Sika oko school.
Yeah.
Bra we school no near the mound. And the other ma oba e bo bra.
Sure.
The other ma ba no e wo soro.
Yeah.
What you say? But e bia enkyere say na o ene no o hwe wo ba no yi chen papa tama na wo no e bia o ene kra de ho che kakra na bibi nti e bia otua ba ko aba se bosome no watua ba ko papa de bia na wotwe bia ma osika. Ti de e kan say sika na de bra ko bra no ne bra no de o spend no ko nanim na mum empredodo a aban bi ade toto agyinama hoden kan ya bo so.
Okay.
You kufu ado de ne sa mprenim e form sa na be person. Okay. No asem na ye kan. There's no doubt about
it. Dr. Bache,
it is all mama kwa ya.
List no. So it means say aban no wo message for 2024.
Exactly. Nti na make say ko base ye ko 2024 election.
Yeah.
Na ekoye NPP and NDC Bawumia and Muhammad ya. Asa be previous. I work as NPP for your failure. Na me nti wase. Because there's no way Mahama Bitima present any record on the management of Ghana's economy. Eye papa, eye better. Change the year Kufuado. Aye. The MPP ni be anya sa hoto so no. Say sa records no why because one more. Omo nye record ni no. Omo qualify say beto abamo mamo di anim because ye do mo di anim kra omo ni gidie e wo sa ban we any MPP abanye wo ye modimo ayabo to mo ko gina simpi su kra ofere say modimo ayabo no beka ho ase na be da ya we election enti so to abama sa nipa na omo kasa asem no say aban ne mon ho modinti yentimi fa ba omi anko na sa nipa to wa to abanagu
Dr. Baumia Felice
enfofobi gangi na ontimi nya gidie e wo aban we mu enko present ye case magana for Baumia there he's been part of the process. He understands the records of this government. Now when him kwan so befa so be defended the records no so ho na mbobos no e normal kese ya since 92 aban bi antimi nya bida what you say na ye dan ye yes anoma we nyina na ye ne Muhammad kwa kosia kan Muhammad ye nim ne record data enye sa ye ne kwa kosia kan ya obetima akase Muhammad e wa hoden e chen MPP enti one penny for na omo kasa asem no any kwan say delegate bia wasting the vote because I am pure matter for ye rekufo do ho na nsem o makafa no okra no e dey aban we no omo nsem o maka no e be ye kwakutire o man we aso won dae ti ye do mu di part na nim kra ko gina simpie so o fere kra say asema o kati aban we no o be sasesa na no e na o ko gina simpie so na o ka so eneme na me ye okandifo di MPP anim enti MPP fo mfa menko na ya botape na kire enye wa na o say MPP fo afeli MPP fo nyina asabe o madwuna ye say ninsa I didn't know a person was a deep part anim Ghana for will not have trust and confidence in you and vote for you. Nipa says ye to abama no eye die ye gidi say o je MPP records ni di. MPP records no otiase. MPP records no so oka ho bi ni ye. A obetima present sa records no because mind you say ye Alex anase ye Zola Ubia yedini bedi party yenim no entimi nko 2024 elections without the records of President Akufo-Addo and the MPP and President Akufo-Addo. Na sabi what to Akufo-Addo records no ho at kekamu nsama ma akoya sabi obi o wa abawe mu kra de sabi mpred asamani susumra so adwene fe na adwene kra de oni bi na yedu bedi anim a he fa na akwa akogina hwan modern moso na ade
process dey ko for Saturday Super Delegate Congress, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia Camp, when is it?
Oh, so far, Yamisi and Kanokre, a member party in Penny for Abaso, Chairman, General Secretary named Penny for Kamatu 2 on my year. Now you see, saying I should show a party. Just to be in Castle Muni be in favor of you because at the end of the day, Sunny Baumia Camp, you raise our election we are. Wow, baby, ni be be here the support of the others and no more supporters. Okay. Ntina Baumia so ono dear. Send any pabi kura who say you 2 blocks and MPP more factions on who is that. Who say Yamia Yadum, you were 2 godfathers of Munatiase, President Kufuor, Ira Kufado. They say dear need dear and mass hampering free and no munuma or mobile MPP mo. because what about we nibia no ye can na abo president ko for records abeka ho health insurance na nkro ne ba say de hwa ho nti wontimi nko 2024 election wa bra unyina president Akufo modima na aban boy yeso president Akufo ado so de ye said na ma egu apaso ane ye ho ne de no egu apaso sese wono nso usa no ho akokomuti obopo na anye den enye yi tina Bawumia say ono hu no ho say Bawumia is like the compromise candidate that unifying candidate for MPP because on the hu no say president Akufo na de ne baaye ene Yewura Akufo ado be hu no tina okwa asantema wo say ono wo ye duaba president Akufo ene ko hu say duaba no wo kwayem no de ba efie ebeduaye ena Yewura Akufo ado so ayede abegugu sunsu ko president Akufo buy no man positions akese won na ba mu mo be ye deputy governor e ma Yewura Akufo ado hu no eti ye ka omo gina ne nyina de obo president Akufo promo anajo de sunkro bebie no de obo president Akufo ado promo anajo de sunkro bebie na ho brase mu ne gidie ma eye Bawumia they saw the side pan ba Akufo nkrofo betim na ye adwuma Akufo ado nkrofo so betim na ye adwuma nti obesili blocks no nti MPP4 pesa ye put an end to factionalism ewo MPP ma ya present Bawumia we camp sembia nyede endi ho na ya end sa factions sem no ewo ye pa factions sem timi ne ono obi di nkomokra na ahwechi utani ade akogina ba but the moment ye be present Bawumia no factions sem ni nyina ya mutu ya united party ne de akoye
Dr. Gideon Obuakoye kasama for Edmama Penia Bedeche Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na mti send no etwe enkomo happy birthday enkomo Reverend Father Amos Abanyi of St. Anthony Catholic Church here wo Aguna Studio from Amo here wo multimedia and you wish you all the best nyame enchita no nyo kese kopim so be kese pa bedi de akwesi insia ochana pa